Let's do a quick recap. See, initially, as in the starting of the session, the first set of things that we did was we did a lot of AI based content creation like reels, graphics, posters, banners, ads, a lot of things with the help of AI. तो उसका तो recap करने का कोई logic नहीं है. That most of you can watch in the replay, right? And the conceptually उसके बाद जो चीजें हमने build करी थी AI reels, AI avatars वगैरह वगैरह हमने वहाँ पे build करा था. So, but business building point of view, say the things that we built after that was we focused on creating an ideal customer avatar. So basically, every single business who is looking to sell something to somebody, that somebody is something that should be defined. So that is where the role of the ideal customer avatar should come into the picture, in which you exactly know who is your ideal customer, and you should know their exact pain points, their desires, their benefits, their struggles. What are the things that they are thinking that they are not talking about? What are the things that are keeping them quiet? What are the things that are, making it hard for them to sleep at night? What exactly are the exact set of pain points, challenges that they are facing? Every single thing that you know about your customer, like go into a hyper research mode and understand your customer like as much as possible, right? And that is going to give you the biggest leverage. See, the bigger the pain point you are solving, the bigger the amount of money that you can charge, right? And the bigger and how easier you can make it for somebody to solve a problem, that is where you will get the maximum leverage. Because if you can make a journey much easier, much better, much faster, much safer for customers, then automatically they will always love to buy from you and become your customers. So that is what, these are all the things that we need to be thinking about. And then we also discussed, let's look at the notes that I'm sharing with you. Then we also discussed for different types of customers, what can be different types of ideal customer avatars. And then these were some of the ideal customer avatars with respect to our business, FlexiFunnels. And then we discussed the ideal customer avatars for, let's suppose, a real estate business. I mean, we did a quick exercise in which we did for different businesses, we did different types of avatars for weight loss kind of business, for love marriage kind of business, and good definition of good marketing and how exactly you should be thinking when it comes down to doing marketing, right? Then we created some quick marketing messaging for the A2 milk. So, I mean, during the last session itself, we took the examples of almost 15 plus different types of products in 15 plus different types of industries, right? Then maybe a food chain, then maybe a clothing chain, then maybe birthday special offer, winter special offer. And then we discussed a no-brainer offering, like how to do not just sell a product, but sell a offer, because the offers are not selling. Sorry, the products are not selling, but the offers are selling. So you need to focus on making it a no-brainer offer. So don't just promote the product, just promote the offering. And then you can create digital products which has zero costing to deliver. And I mean, the entire money that gets paid. For example, you have created a digital product, and if somebody purchases right now, every single piece of money is your full profit. If you have created a course, every money is your full profit. If you have created, let's suppose, something downloadable, everything is your full profit. Some kind of app, everything is free, full profit. So whatever you can do in terms of leveraging more in terms of your profitability, that is something that you can do. And of course, it is not going to apply to every single kind of product and business, but wherever it can, you should be doing. Similarly, we gave one more example of a good offer. For example, somebody is selling a t-shirt for $100, jeans for $100, shoes for $200. Instead of that, you can promote it as shoes for $400 and t-shirt worth $200 free and jeans worth $300 free. So that makes it a good offer. And you can always keep on trying and testing, right? Then we created an offer for a fitness program. Then we talked about positioning and the authority, and how by changing the authority, how by changing the positioning, we are able to attract better customers and we are able to attract more customers. So we focused a lot on the positioning and the authority aspect of it in the last session. After that, we focused a lot on one more offer creation for a separate niche, and how to keep on making the offer a no-brainer with the help of your testimonials. If you don't have a testimonial, that then what is supposed to be done with the help of guarantees, conditional and unconditional guarantees. Ultimately, all the factors that will contribute towards making the offer a no brainer offer. And how easily your offer, I mean, you can make more money by working and focusing more on your offer. And then we went on to the planning mode, in which we talked about funnel hacking. We did not do it. Funnel hacking is something जो हम अभी करेंगे, इस सेशन में करेंगे आज. And then we focused on the product delivery mechanism. It can be, maybe your product can be a course, an event, a physical product, a download, a digital product, maybe some kind of consultation. And your sales process can be maybe a webinar, a one-to-one call, sales page, lead generation, maybe coupons, anything. I prefer products in which I can sell one to many rather than one to one, because I will have a better scalability. However, having said that, if I'm doing one to one, I will ensure कि जो मेरा margin है, it's on a higher side, right? So that is something that we did. And then we talked about a little bit of experimentation. So this is a quick recap of the session number one, right? Is it clear to everybody? Are we able to have a quick recap? Let me know, type yes. And people, I will always feed off your energy, right? So keep on engaging, keep on discussing, keep on commenting. That's how I will keep on understanding that, okay, मैं किसी को बोर नहीं कर रहा हूँ, and people are able to make a sense out of it. Okay, cool. So with respect to taking this business journey forward, we will talk about it in some time. Now I'm gonna show you some more AI based implementation. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बोला था आपके लिए हमने बहुत सारी चीजें रेडी करी है. So it's time to show you some more stuff. And but again, we need to understand this. AI will play its part, but having a real plan for a real business is actually going to make money, right? But since it's a AI marketing workshop, so I'm gonna spread the AI elements here and there every now and then we will keep on focusing on the real business building. Okay, so this is a quick prompt that we have written to write prompts, and ये sheet हम पूरा का पूरा आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. So don't worry and don't bother about it. Those of you who are attending full 2 days, we'll be sharing the whole thing with you. As of now, let's focus. So this is a quick prompt. मैं इसका आपको एक बार, and this is a prompt to write prompts. मैं आपको इसका reason बताऊंगा. At the same time, we'll also discuss one more prompting enhancement technique. Okay, so you can use this. First of all, what is the reason to write a prompt, and what is the reason to enhance the prompting? See, people, we need to understand one thing. You are talking to AI, whatever AI you are talking to, okay? Whether it is Gemini or Claude or ChatGPT, Joby, whatever is your preferred AI, Perplexity, whatever. You're talking to AI. What it means is that AI has all the knowledge, all the information in the world. Lekin to make the most out of that knowledge and information, you have to be knowing what exactly you want the AI to do. Until and unless you know it, then AI will not do a good job for you. And uska abhi we will do a practical example right now. And in the last session also, when we showed you some of the ad images and ad graphics that we were generating, you would have seen this, that some of you, when you would have tried creating ad images and all, the output would not have been that good, the kind of output that we were able to generate in the last session. Why? Because of the prompting. It will all get down to prompting only. So how do you do that good level of prompting? So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to improve your prompting to a certain level. Then definitely with respect to your field, with respect to your area of expertise, you will have to, give more thorough instructions or give more detailed instructions every single time. But just by doing this thing, your prompting will be improved. So see, let's assume this thing, ki I don't know prompting. Let's assume this thing that you don't know prompting, but definitely AI knows prompting. So why not use the leverage of AI to do the prompts for us? So this is the prompt, that you are a mighty and powerful prompt generating robot. Okay. You need to understand my goals and objectives and then design a prompt. The prompt should include all the relevant information, context, and data that was provided to you. You must continue asking questions until you are confident that you can produce the best prompt for the best outcome. Your final prompt must be optimized for chat interactions. Start by asking me to describe my goal, then continue with follow up questions to design. Got it? So, this is something which is the most important thing when you are actually working with AI. Because if you give a normal task to AI, for example, let's do it very quickly. Okay, I'm doing a AI marketing workshop and I want to send a 5 email reminder sequence for my audience. Can you write a quick email sequence for my audience? 5 emails. Okay, let's do this quickly. Okay, so I have entered this. My screen is visible. I have already shared my screen. मैं एक बार स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑफ करके दोबारा से ऑन कर देता हूँ. That's not a problem. I have turned off my screen sharing and I have shared it one more time. Can you see it now, everybody? Shashank is asking prompting for Flexi AI Site Builder. For Flexi AI Site Builder, it's a multi-step sequencing in the backend. I cannot reveal the exact details, but it's a multiple three-step sequence that is there in the backend in which we focus on the customer avatar, we focus on the actual copy generation, and then the design formation. I mean, the kind of output that you are able to get with Flexi AI is something which is totally next level. So it's not just a single generation. It's like multiple generations happening in the back end, and then we club and present it to you in a, of course that's a IP that we have. So all right, so if you will see, hey, you are in AI marketing workshop details. Inside you are successfully registered for the AI marketing workshop, and then it has given me a simple reminder email sequence, right? But now let's use these prompts, that you are a mighty and powerful prompt generating robot and something something. Okay, so now it is asking me, what is your main goal? My main goal is I'm doing a workshop, which is a AI marketing workshop, and I want to send reminder emails for that AI marketing workshop. ठीक है. So let's see, right? अभी जब मैंने यही same चीज, when I gave it to ChatGPT in another tab, it automatically started doing the email generation. But now when I'm given this, that you are a prompt generating robot, so now it is asking me multiple questions, right? Okay. Question number 2 is workshop name. A workshop name is AI marketing workshop. Date is 13th of December and time is 7 p.m. Duration is 8 hours and it's going to be free. Okay, people see in the last sequence, it did not ask me about anything, neither the audience, neither the outcome, neither the promises, neither the email sequence details, nothing, neither your tone and style, nothing. Abhi, I'm not I'm not gonna answer all of these questions, but you are able to get a sense of it, right? When it is able to get all of these details in the last message, it simply started. It did not ask me for anything. Now it is asking me for super all the details. And then it is gonna give me the prompt. Then I'm gonna get that prompt and put in the new chat. And then I'm going to get the email sequence, the reminder email sequence, which is going to be much more powerful. समझ में आया सबको? Let me know. Okay, so I hope you got the logic, right? So this is a quick prompt to write the prompt. Again, you will have this prompt with you. I have given this quick notes also for all of you, right? One second, screen. Yeah, recording is on, of course. Yeah, prompting enhancement, right? So this is something which is important, and what it is that the basics are very simple. You act as a prompt engineer, ask the goal or the task that is supposed to be done, right? So you always need to give the goal, and you need to tell about the audience, right? And then you need to tell AI to ask questions until it is clear what to do. So this is something which is a very powerful thing, because you don't know where AI is confused. and it is not even going to ask you, it is simply going to generate. But if you will say that, keep on asking me questions until and unless you are absolutely sure, so then it is gonna ask you all these follow-up questions, and then it is gonna do a much better and a much refiner job for you. I hope that is clear. Clear, everybody? Type yes. So you will use this prompt to write prompts. So then it will become very simple for you. Okay, cool. Next thing is हेजन का वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट पॉलिश. सो इसका एक हमने कस्टम जीपीटी रेडी करा है that you can use. So, Hagen, we showed you in the first session, right? That with the help of Hagen and with the help of 11 Labs, you can create AI avatar based videos in which you will feel like that, your AI clone, your AI avatar will be recording the videos, and nobody will get to know that. So the AI avatar of yours will speak in your language. It will speak in your tone. It will speak in your voice. Your video will be there, and it will look super real, right? So, with respect to Hagen and with respect to working with Hagen, um, when you are writing your ad scripts, for example, you have written an ad script, okay, and now you want that, or maybe video script, whatever, video script, ad script, whatever it is. Once you have written the script, when you are generating voice, it can create some issues in terms of, I will just show you. Let's have a look at this. So this is the instruction, okay? Turn your rough ad script into polished TTS ready scripts for Hagen and 11 Labs. Paste your draft even with Hindi and Roman script and get back a natural sounding pause optimized script that's ready to generate professional AI videos. Paste your raw script, add script exactly as you have written it, English, Hindi, or whatever. The GPT will polish it for natural flow. So basically, I will tell you the concept, okay? The concept is that you write a script, for example, one second. एक quickly यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? I'm doing a AI marketing workshop in which I'm going to be teaching AI marketing for 16 hours. Can you give me a quick video script for it? Okay, so ये मैंने चैट जीपीटी पे डाल दिया, just an example, ठीक है? Again, I'm never going to do this, by the way. I'm always going to, first of all, create the prompts. And we also have a AI marketing engine inside Fleximanals. So that's what we use. But I'm just showing you that, okay, if I'm doing this, what exactly I'm going to be doing, okay? Okay, मान लो ये मेरी स्क्रिप्ट है, ठीक है? इसको मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी करा. And once I have copied, okay, once I have copied, hey guys, quick question. अब मैं इसको चेंज कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? क्या आप अभी भी मार्केटिंग हार्डवे से कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Writing ads manually, struggling with content and guessing what actually works. If yes, this is for you. मैं होस्ट करने जा रहा हूँ 16 hours hands-on AI marketing workshop. Let me show you what exactly is happening, okay? So this is a script optimizer. Now this script, I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, and let me just put it, the whole script that we just created randomly, very randomly we created right in front of you. Okay, अब आप ये चीज देखो, ठीक है people, this is very very important to understand. When you are creating a video with the Hagen and 11 Labs, अगर आपके वीडियो में with Hagen and 11 Labs, if you are writing something in Hindi, for example, क्या आप अभी भी marketing hard way से कर रहे हैं, Hagen and 11 Lab is going to make a mistake. Please understand this thing. It's going to make a mistake because it is not going to read Hindi in a proper way. So that is why we have given you this custom GPT. And what it is going to do is it is going to convert your Hindi part into actual Hindi. क्या आप अभी भी marketing hard way से कर रहे हैं? So now it is going to read it completely in a way that this part is Hindi and this part is English. And it's not going to be tuta futa wala Hindi or tuta futa wala English. It's not going to be. Is that clear? So this is the exact purpose of this particular custom GPT. Is this clear, people? So have a look at this. मैं host करने जा रहा हूँ. If I would have put this exact thing, this script into 11 labs, and these Hindi portions would have come something like मैं host करने जा रहा हूँ. Now it is gonna read it properly because now this is in written in proper Hindi, right? So this is how it will work. Okay, how to integrate Hijin and 11 Lab? It's a simple integration here. Just click one button. It's all there inside the dashboard, right? Okay, okay. This part is clear, right? Let's look at the other things that we have created for you. Okay, one more AI that I have started using and I have really fallen in love with. Arman actually introduced me to this, and that is Whisper Flow. And what exactly this is it converts what you speak into text, which is a massive time saver, right? So have a look at this. For example, in a Google Sheet, if I want to type something that, hey, we are doing this AI marketing workshop and we are teaching AI, advanced AI, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, people are loving it. And this workshop is going absolutely insane. This is an amazing workshop. Right. So this is how it works, right? So this has saved my typing time a lot. For example, even if I'm typing on WhatsApp, even if I'm typing anywhere, right? Like even with ChatGPT and Claude, now I don't need to keep on typing. I can simply do this. So for this, we are using Whisper Flow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And most importantly, it understands where to put the full stop, where to put the comma, where to even put what do you say, even put bullet points. Let me show you a quick example. Sometimes it does, sometimes it does not, but let's try it out right now. So we are doing this AI marketing workshop. Multiple topics that we are covering are ads, emails, content, funnel building, and many more. Okay, so if as you can see, it has put the comma, right? So really nice. So I really like this particular app as well, right? Okay, for the copywriting purposes, FlexiFunnels AI and Claude. FlexiFunnels AI, I'm yet to show it to you, all of you. So we have developed specifically copywriting AI, because normal content writing is something which is different, but copywriting is something which is a very special skill, that comes into the picture when it comes down to generating money online, right? So copywriting, for specifically copywriting, we have generated FlexiFunnels AI, in which that will create all the marketing content for you, whether it is ads or email copies or WhatsApp copies or sales page copies, everything it is going to do for you. Website and funnel building, of course, FlexiFunnels AI. For video editing and captions.ai, this is what we shared with you in the first session. Did not show it to you, but you can use it yourself. And this is gonna, like, you will create a video and you will put it inside captions.ai, and it is gonna write down the captions for you automatically. And like proper captions with the proper, let's say, I will just show you. जैसे टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ आता है ना क्या इंस्टाग्राम रील्स के अंदर, द फॉर एग्जांपल some part in bold, some part not in bold, maybe red, yellow, green type of color, have something like this. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज रिटन सोचो कैसा हो, या फिर तो सेल्स में, or whatever text is written in between, so it is going to write it by itself. So you are going to get the full video with proper captions written in the Instagram Reels format. That is something which is really, really good, right? And yeah, shadow effect also, you can call it. Next thing is, see, people, AI is here to solve your real world problems, right? When we started getting a lot of Instagram chats, and I was not able to handle a lot of Instagram chats, but there were people who were looking to become a part of our workshops. There were people who were looking to become a part of our products, our services, maybe looking to get customer support. But like Instagram page, it's very hard for us to read all the messages. So we have put an AI agent over there, right? So for AI agent, what we are using is Na10, right? Na10 is there, even make.com is there. And I will show you one of the this particular Instagram agent that we have created. And again, like I said, we can share all of these files with you, so you don't have to worry about it. But this is the most important part. Like, for example, anybody who messages me on Instagram, uh, understand the concept. Okay, you will have this file, so you can implement it yourself. You can connect it with your own Instagram. Understand the concept. Okay, what exactly is happening? What actually is happening is somebody is messaging to me on Instagram. I'm getting the data right over here. Okay, that let's suppose somebody has sent me hi, and on the basis of hi, this message is going to the AI agent, right? For this AI agent, we have connected this with AI. If you will see, for example, Anthropic से connect करा है, it is totally up to you. आपको चैट जीपीटी से कनेक्ट करना है, जेमिनी से कनेक्ट करना है. इन माय केस मैंने Anthropic से कनेक्ट करा हुआ है, ठीक है. सो Anthropic से कनेक्ट करा, and I have given a prompt over here that you need to behave as an assistant of Saurabh Bhatnagar. Have a look at this. You are an AI assistant for Saurabh Bhatnagar, CEO and co-founder of funnel building company called FlexiFunnels. You help people build profitable online businesses. Basically, concept क्या है? Concept यही है कि understand this thing. Okay, what exactly is the concept? Concept is very simple. That initially, if you had to reply to an answer, you would reply to an answer by yourself. Now, I have given a prompt over here that if this kind of question comes, then this is the kind of reply that should go. If this kind of question comes, this is the kind of answer that should go. These are the kind of people whom we can help. These are the kind of people whom we cannot help. And we have connected it with a AI. So basically, now it has a brain, because ultimately, if it just has information but it does not have a brain, तो वो copy paste answer share करेगा. But if it also has a brain, for example, let's suppose copy paste answer और intelligent answer इसका difference समझते हैं. Copy paste answer is, let's suppose if I ask you what is your name and you say Saurabh Bhatnagar. But if I ask you, hey, how do people call you? But that is something that I have not taught to you, right? And then if you are copying and pasting answers, and if I have not taught to you the answer for how do people call you, then you will never have an answer for that, right? So this is exactly where AI agents come into the picture, in which an AI agent connects with the AI. And when I'm asking you, how do people call you? It understands the meaning of it. That, okay, what this person is actually asking is, what is your name? So the question is the same only, what is your name? So it is going to reply back with the answer. So I have told AI with the memory context over here, with the prompting over here, that hey, you know what? This is my name. But to understand the context of the question that is coming in, that is why you need to connect it with the AI, right? With the AI model. And every time, whenever a new question comes in, if it is within the scope of what we can help and what we cannot help, then we will, it will reply back with the same answers, right? So, I mean, those of you जिन्होंने पहले AI agent implement नहीं करा है, so maybe a little bit extra stuff for you. But yeah, this is something which is going to be a huge advantage for any kind of purpose that you want to do. Like, think about it. I'm just gonna show you. So Na10 is typically what we use. And next thing is make.com is also there, which is a brilliant platform at the same time. I will give you a gold mine right now. And the gold mine is that Na10 themselves have created multiple workflow automation templates. So you can go to the Na10 library and search for any kind of workflows. जैसे ये जो Instagram का agent था, that was just one kind of agent. Similarly, on their library, there are like 7,362. So think of it, for every multiple parts of your business, or maybe if you want to offer it as a service for multiple parts, you can keep on, automating them one by one, step by step. Have a look at this. Generate AI viral videos with VO3 and upload to TikTok. So many different types of use cases are there. And you can keep on working with it. And, you can automate multiple parts. So when you're working with a client or working with yourself, there are like so many options which are there. And I can tell you, if you will see, the particular AI agent that we have created for our business, I can tell you that this particular AI agent, if you will see, we have also connected it with the Google Sheet. So what we are doing over here is we are talking to any person who is chatting with us on Instagram. We talk to that person and we qualify them for our webinars. So whenever the person comes, so my AI asks them this question: Hey, are you looking to launch your course? Are you looking to start generating some income online? And after talking to with the person, it qualifies them and pushes them for my webinar. And when they give their details, name, email, ID, phone number, we this AI itself passes the data to this Google Sheet. So just with this AI, in the last probably 3 months, we have done like 1,000 plus leads, right? 1,000 plus leads. I wanna give you some numbers, okay? 1,000 plus leads, 1,000 plus leads अगर मेरे को ad से generate करनी होती, so that would be an investment of minimum 50 rupees per lead, right? So 50,000 rupees in actual lead cost, and 1,000 leads may say, even if I convert 2%, even if I convert 2%, that is 20 sales, and we sell FlexiFunnels का जो basic subscription है for 37,000 rupees. So that's a revenue of 7.4 lakh rupees on complete automation, for which I do not have to do anything. And that's the power and the value of this particular AI agent. And that too, when in the last 2.5 months, maybe in the last 3 months, I have hardly made any content. I'm not really focusing on my content side, as you would have seen, those of you who follow me on my Instagram. Right. So right now, too much focus on the business side of it. But this is exactly how the whole thing works. And this is exactly how it keeps on generating more revenue for you. And imagine this, how many more Instagram agents, or sorry, AI agents you can have in different places. I'm going to show you a couple of more examples. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Let's say I'm going to show you the AI agent that we have put inside FlexiFunnels. And I'm going to show you the AI agent that we have for our support chat. Okay. आनंदमय इज सेइंग एआई एजेंट्स आर फ्लॉप. आनंदमय कौन सी दुनिया में जी रहे हो भाई आप? कौन बोल रहा है आपको ये एजेंट्स आर फ्लॉप? और किसकी बातें सुन के आ गए हो आप? फॉर योर डिसीजन मेकिंग नाउ यू हैव द ब्रेन ऑफ अ एआई. व्हाट एल्स आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू? ओके. No, no, no. See, at the moment a person realizes it's an agent, it's a huge turnoff for resulting in lack of trust. Mention no. Hey, I'm Saurabh Bhatnagar is bot. What is the harm in mentioning? The AI agent is good enough, trained enough to answer the particular set of questions. Mention directly that I'm an agent. हम तो जो automated calls भी भिजवाते हैं उसमें भी बोलते हैं कि hey, this is a AI assistant of Saurabh Bhatnagar, and you are registered for a webinar or whatever. What is the problem? Right? You are able to do things at scale. Okay. Now let's have a look at this. For the courses, like some of you would be aware, those of you who are FlexiFunnels customers, we also give you access to the courses, right? Multiple courses we have given you access to. FlexiFunnels tutorials, 0 to 1 crore, 15 days first sale challenge, funnel training, Facebook ads training, funnel content secret. A lot of times, our customers have always, asked us that, how can I ask more direct questions with Saurabh Bhatnagar, which is humanly not possible for anybody, for me or anybody to answer so many questions from so many people. So what we have done is, within this FlexiFunnels timeline domination, we have created this. Hi, I am SB bot. What can I help you with? So this is a SB bot that we have added, and we have trained this SB bot. I won't say that it is very highly trained. We can spend some more time in training it a lot more better, but we have trained it good enough, and we have trained it with some of my old videos. So now it knows that what exactly it does, what exactly I do, what kind of things I can help with, and I will show you how we have done it. Okay. So we have used a product over here by the name Chatbase. One second, it is taking some time. Just give me a second. Let it open. So this is a subscription product that we have taken by the name Chatbase. So yeah, if you will see, uh, Chat SB bot is something that we have trained over here, right? And let's look at some analytics over here. Let's look at some of the chat analytics. Yeah. So in the last 6 days, 32 conversations it has had with our customers and responding to 186 messages. And yeah, okay, one of the conversation was not good as per the customer. It's okay. But ultimately, a lot of these customers, they were able to get the solutions for what they were looking forward to, right? So again, AI agent with a memory, that's the most beautiful part, right? At the same time, have a look at this. So we use this product by the name Fresh Chat for handling our customer support. Okay, Fresh Desk for email support and Fresh Chat for live chat support. So inside FlexiPanels, we have a live chat support, 3 minute live chat support. Every time you have any question, you can message us and you get a reply in just 3 minutes, right? So always we have had our real team members to answer the questions over there. We even have it right now, but now in the front end we have put AI. And if some customer says that, hey, you know what, I'm not happy with the response, then that message gets forwarded to our real team members. Reality is 70% chats are getting handled by AI, which is saving a lot of time, and it is getting done at a very quick pace. So customers, they are getting a response within seconds. So if I will go to the analytics, okay, let's have a look at this. If I go to the analytics, Freddy AI agent analytics, okay, and see, we have real support at the end of the day. If have a look at this, out of 2000 conversations in the last 30 days जो कि AI ने handle करी है, people imagine this, 2000 conversations, and out of these 2000 conversations 33% have been resolved with the AI. Understand, are you getting a 600 conversations resolved by AI, wherein a real human never have to jump into it? And 4800 questions were actually asked, and 94% answered, whatever. And then if a conversation was not really answered to the customer satisfaction, then it was transferred to a real human being, and then it was taken up by a real human being. And Sam Subhani is saying, but I believe there should be a human analyzing these answers. We do. We have a support team director, and every single chat is monitored on a daily basis. And every single chat that is not given a 5-star rating by any customer, we monitor it on a daily basis. So we do that. So this is where the business operations come into the picture. And I mean, even these can be, going forward, we can have a maybe support manager agent, which can look at these chats. And some of these management work can also be taken care by AI. I mean, why not? I know it is possible right now. We just need to spend some more time to it, right? Does that make sense, people? Let me know. Type yes. So yeah, this is a number of AI based use cases that I wanted to show you more. How many of you are able to enhance your knowledge a bit more by attending this particular part? So how this whole thing works is, मैं आपको एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. The way this whole thing works, and see, I'm not even hiding anything, right? I'm taking you inside the real platforms that we are using, right? Instead of just showing you and telling you from upar upar say ki this is what we use, I'm taking you inside the dashboards and showing you the real data. So the way it overall works is that a customer chat is coming in, right? A customer chat is coming in. There is a chat interface wherein this is the customer side and this is the agent side. And see, if somebody asks you that what is your name, and you are going to reply, what is your name? Type in the chat box, what is your name? Type in the chat base, what is your name? People, everybody, all of you, type in the chat box, what is your name? या जो भी आपका नाम है लिखो आप चैट पे. ओके, टेल मी दिस थिंग. व्हाई आर यू एबल टू आंसर व्हाट इज योर नेम? क्योंकि वो आपकी मेमोरी में है. मेक सेंस? The only way you are able to answer what is your name because you have a memory. One day, if you lose your memory, can you answer what is your name? You cannot, right? So, what you simply need to do is it's a very, very simple concept. In these AI agents, create a Google Doc, okay, a simple Google Doc, and in that Google Doc, write down every single information about your product, what it does, what it does not do, whom it helps, whom it does not help, every single thing. So basically, this AI agent, you are connecting with a memory. Just like you have a memory right over here, you have created a memory in the form of a Google Doc. And now, whenever a customer question comes, it is going to search for the answer in this particular memory. And based on the customer tone, it is going to reply back into this answer. समझ में आया? Concept is clear? Let me know. So that way, the customers get real-time answers and they get real-time support. And maybe similarly, the sales messages, they get real-time support. And this is how the whole thing keeps on working. Clear? How to create a Google Doc? Anything. I mean, in any agent that you are using, there will always be an option to put the memory context, right? And also, we had to connect with ChatGPT. Yeah, any AI of your choice. Totally up to you. ठीक है. So I hope this part is clear to everybody. Clear है सबको? People, let me know. And see, I don't never really. I mean, I've given you the tool. In that tool, you will just put all the context, and in every single tool like this, there will always be an option to put your product description, and you will just dump it over there, and it will have all the memory attached with it, right? This in this session, I don't want to teach you how to use a tool. They will have their own knowledge-based tutorials. You can always learn from that, right? Let's focus on step by step. What next? What next? What next? Right? Now your tons of research that we have done, you don't need to do that. You just need to focus on what we are showing you and just keep on implementing that, right? Can I use AI agent for posting content on social media? You can. Absolutely, you can. There are multiple tools which are available. That is number one. Number two is um, if you want to build something on your own with the help of N8N, there is this particular. So, I mean, see, spend time in learning, but AP5 has multiple APIs available to do any kind of work. TikTok scraper, extract data from TikTok videos, hashtags, and users. Think about it. You can create an AI agent. For example, let's suppose you are into social media marketing, for example, and you want to create Instagram reels and social media reels. You can create an AI agent, something like that. Hey, all the best performing reels of a particular niche. First of all, download all the reels, get the like all the best performing reels, download all the reels, uh, get the script. Now you have the reels, top 10 reels of a particular niche, and recreate them according to my business. And all of this work can be done with the help of AI, with the help of AP5, and maybe with the help of multiple APIs which are available. I mean, I see again, I know people who are getting started with थोड़ा सा आपके लिए ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होएगा. It's still better, much better to at least know. It does not matter whether you can implement it right now or not, right? But still, it's good enough that you know at least some of these things and you can keep on implementing in the future, right? Whenever the timing is right, whenever the things are right. अभी हम लोग वापस बेसिक्स पे जाते हैं and let's focus on with respect to building a business. What is the next step that we need to be taking? Clear, people? Let me know. एंड बिजनेस बिल्डिंग के ऊपर वापस से फोकस करते हैं. With respect to business building, this is the equation that we wanted to create earlier, right? This was a very simple equation that we wanted to create earlier. Very simply, customer value journey, जिसमें कि people become aware of your products, right? They subscribe to you, they purchase your products, they become a fan of your products and services, they purchase even more things from you, and then they even bring you more customers, more sales, and they start promoting you. That's the whole cycle that you need to master. And more than anything, let me tell you something which is more important than anything else. Okay, the most important thing, for example, forget about all of this tech stack, forget about all of these technical advancements, anything. Even 99% of these things will not matter if you can just focus on two things. One is, okay, first thing is, one second, just focus on these two aspects. Okay, first thing is your customers getting, you can see my screen, right? Real results, and you to have the right intent to run a business. These are the two most important things that should always be the case when you are running a business. Everything else, they will keep on happening. See, today, when the time came for creating AI avatars, AI reels, AI based videos, do you remember in the first session, even I was asking questions. Even I did not know. Because as a business owner, it's not my job to know all of these things, right? My job is to have best people who can execute these things. And I can do my own research. I can be aware of these things, but I do not really need to know how to run all of these things. So over a period of time, what I really care about is listening to the customers, what exactly they are looking forward to, how exactly I can make their job simpler, and we can keep on building that into our products. That's what my job is, and having the right intent. Forget about everything else. If you are, let's say, some kind of an expert based business owner, for example, just focus on one thing, having a simple customer journey, which I'm going to create right in front of you right now. First, second, ensure that whatever you are promising to your customers, you are giving to your customers. So many of you have been guilty of this thing, that you have promised a lot, but you have not given it. That's not how you do a business, right? If you are promising something, you need to commit to it, you need to deliver that, and ensure that your customers are getting the results. That is first thing. Second thing is, next thing is that have the right intent. Right intent in terms of focusing on making the product better, and focusing on making the customer support better, and focusing on having the right interest or the best interest of your customers in your mind all the time. When you are doing that, then automatically all the other things will always be taken care of. Forget about all of these AI agents. If you can just have a simple WhatsApp group in which your people are connected with you and you are continuously sharing value over there. Let me give you a very, 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 very simple business model. Okay. Something that anybody can start with. Anybody. If you don't do anything, okay, if you do not do anything, you just start creating content or just record an ad. Totally up to you. I prefer ads, by the way. I'm not a big content fan. Although, people see me with good social media followers, I have never really focused a lot on my content. Whenever I have recorded content, I have focused on adding value, and that's it. The otherwise, I'm not really, more of a content creator. I just focus on my business side more. But ads is something. I mean, why do I prefer ads? Because ad is something that I can create once, and my one ad can continue running for months. While content is something that I have to create daily, which is not a bad thing. I mean, you can create content for free. It is giving you free reach. It is giving you free money. Why are you not creating it? Right? That is my question to you. My content strategy has always been that I take out one day a month, record 30 reels, and then I'm done. So I spend 4 to 6 hours, record 30 reels for the month, and then I'm done. Then my reels will keep on going on my Instagram platform, and I'm done like 4 hours per month. That is more than enough, right? So that is my content strategy. But ad strategy is like, so even if you don't want to, and now you have multiple options, by the way. Let's suppose you are somebody who is a camera shy person. Just an example. No problem. Create your avatar on Hijin, put your voice into 11 labs, right? And just write down the script using ChatGPT and the tools that we are going to give you, and create the videos using that. You don't even need to get in front of the camera. You don't even need to have a camera, right? And you can record ads and content and everything. And add this some. Okay, let's talk about a very simple business model. Okay, you start with simple ad. Very simply, you give something for free. Okay, let's say download. You give something for free. Whatever niche you are into, you give something for free. Okay, so let's have a look at this. You give something for free, and when you are giving something for free, definitely there will be people who will be signing up for it, right? When they sign up, when they sign up, they will go on to your thank you page, right? They will go on to your thank you page, and thank you page may you can have a simple WhatsApp button. You can have a simple WhatsApp button. People, let me know. You saw this journey today itself. ये वाली journey तो आपने आज भी देखी थी ना? या फिर जब आपने इस when you signed up for this workshop, you saw this whole journey, right, by yourself. When you signed up for this workshop, immediately after signing up for this workshop, on the thank you page, you saw the WhatsApp group. And this is not something that you have not seen for the first time. You would have seen this multiple times, not just with me, with multiple other people also, right? मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. Just give me one moment. I will show you something. I created a presentation very recently, and I wanna open it for you. Okay. Uh, I'm sharing my screen. Let me know when you can see it. So this was a presentation that I created very recently, and it was for some of our astrology clients. So I was doing a webinar with a astrology coach, and all of his astrologers, like hundreds of astrologers, were there. But the concept applies to everybody. It does not matter whether you are an astrologer or interior designer or whatever it is. Does not matter, right? Very simplistic business model. Okay, okay. You can have a sign up. After the sign up, you can have WhatsApp group, right? For example, let's say your sign up can be for a webinar. So your sign up can be for something downloadable. It can be anything. And then you can have a WhatsApp group. If you will look at our communities, okay, we have more than 50,000 people who are connected with us on our WhatsApp communities. We have 3,50,000 people connected with us on our email list, 1,17,000 on our Facebook, 55,000 on our Telegram, and 5,000 on our Instagram communities. And let me share with you something. Okay, I'm not talking about, this is something which is very important. I'm not talking about my Instagram followers or YouTube followers. For example, on Instagram we have 2,64,000 followers. Does not matter, right? You can run a far successful business without creating any content at all. A lot of our customers have 500 followers, 100 followers, and they make 10 times more money than people who have 1 lakh followers. Because it is what is important is to have the right business systems rather than having followers. Right? I'm not saying that having followers is bad, but having the right systems, that is important. And we have seen this thing like multiple times. So what exactly this thing is? This is a direct communication channel. Now, when there is understand this thing. For all of these WhatsApp followers, see, all of you are a part of my WhatsApp community now. If I have something to share with you, do I have to spend money to do that? Not at all. Right? See, Instagram algorithm and YouTube algorithm and Instagram, whatever, Facebook algorithm, according to the algorithms, the content, if it is interesting, then it will be shown. Otherwise, it will not be shown. But in my Telegram community, in my WhatsApp community, in my emails, I can always send out. There's no limit. That is why we always focus on creating private communities and adding people to those communities. Because once people are connected with you right over here, right? direct communication channels, not the followers, direct communication channels. And for this is something that you can do with just one ad. You can create one ad in your entire life and you can fill your entire set of communities, right? In fact, one of my products, Market Peso, it did sales of over $1 million, more than 8 crore rupees का revenue हमने इससे करा था. इसका कोई Instagram पेज नहीं है, इसका कोई सोशल मीडिया पेज नहीं है, इसका कोई यूट्यूब चैनल नहीं है, only Facebook page with only 25 likes. It does not matter. You need to have the right funnel. That is the most important thing that you need to have. When you have the right funnel, then you can make money. That's what the end thing is, right? So imagine this thing. When we have a direct communication channel with 5 lakh plus direct members, right? Now imagine this thing. Okay. Now imagine this thing. Imagine you have these people. Okay. And if you release a product, and let's say the price of your product is 5,000 rupees, just an example. Okay. Let's suppose the price of your product is 5,000 rupees. And out of, let's suppose, these 5 lakh people, even if just 1% person buy this product, that's 5,000 sales. Just 1%. If I can release a new product every month of 5,000 rupees, and एक इसका दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं, even if 0.1% people, forget about 1%, 0.1, that's 500 sales, 5,000 rupees, which is 25 lakh rupees a month. We don't have to do anything throughout our life, just by having the direct communication channel with these 5 lakh people that we have done. And now it's done. We don't need to do it. It's already done. And I can keep on coming up with 5,000 rupees different products. And even at 0.1% conversion rate, that's 25 lakh rupees a month, every single month. What I can do is, for 25 days a month, I can continuously keep on adding new value into these communities, new value, new value, new value, new value. And then maybe 3 to 4 days a month, I can promote a product. Can 0.1% people buy our products? समझ में आया सबको? Let me know, type yes. Can 0.1% people buy our products? 0.1. And this is exactly how you do a business. You create good funnels, you create communication channels, and you give good products with good services. Right? When you are getting started, have a look at this. When you are getting started, and you can sell anything, you can sell products, you can sell offers, you can sell programs, you can sell limited spot consultations. It is totally up to you, whatever you want to sell. Let's suppose when you are getting started, you don't have a community of 5 lakh, but can you have a community of 5,000? Let me tell you a simple mathematics. One good reel that you can create for free, it can give you a community of 5,000. One. Okay. And if you promote any product over there, even if 0.1% people buy, that's 5 sales, that's 25,000 rupees per month. If you have a community of 10,000, 0.1% conversion rate, that's 10 sales a month, which is 50,000 rupees a month. Let's take it further. Going forward, when you have more results, more testimonials, higher branding, higher authority, when everything is on a higher side, because see, when you are getting started, you don't have any results, you don't have any testimonials, you don't have anything to show. But going forward, you have results, you have testimonials. Then if you can start converting 0.2%, 0.2, and your product price is 10,000 rupees, which is at 0.2% with a community of just 5,000 people, that's just 1 lakh rupees a month. And with a community of 10,000 people, that's 2 lakh rupees a month. People, I'm talking about, see, this is right now in front of you. We have built a direct community of over 5 lakh plus people. You can create a community of 5,000. It does not even matter in how much small niche you are working. In a very, very absolutely small niche, you can still have a community of 5,000, 10,000 people. And even if you do it bad, you can have a community of 20,000 people. You can convert at 0.3% with the proper sales systems, that is 60 sales, and you can create products worth 15,000 rupees, that's 9 lakh rupees a month. Even if you do it bad. So this is what I wanted to cover over here, that forget about all the AI agents and everything. I wanted to bring you back to the basics. Okay. Basics are creating value, because the fundamentals of business are never going to change. Create value, give the outcome to your customers, care for them, love them, and ultimately, see, एक वो equation होता है ना, give, then you can ask. Give, then you can ask. Create that equation multiple times. You have a business. Clear? Let me know. Type yes. And then to take it a multi steps further, that is where the role of AI and everything comes into the picture, right? That is where business systems, business operations, all these things will come into the picture. अब जब customer support बढ़ गया, तो customer support को solve करने के लिए we have put AI agents over there. Even if you don't know it, see, you remain the expert in your field. Hire a good person. No, hire a good person. They can do it for you. All right. Okay. Let's talk about this thing. Funnel hacking. Okay. When you are getting started, and not even getting started, this is an exercise that is supposed to be done over and over and over again. Okay. Multiple times. Funnel hacking. How many of you know what is funnel hacking? How many of you don't? Let me know. Okay. So, funnel hacking is a very simple exercise in which, see, here's the thing. When I'm sharing my direct prompts with you, does that make your job easier to do the same thing if you were trying to do it yourself versus when I'm sharing my prompts with you? Does that make your job easier? Yes? Okay. Now, imagine this thing, think about this thing that when you are starting with a business, when you are starting with promoting your products, your services, your, whatever consultation, whatever it is you're offering, whatever it is, you are somebody who is getting started, for example, right? But there are multiple people, tons of people who are already spending money, who are already running funnels, who are already running ads, already paying to Facebook platform and creating their funnels. And the reason they are doing it consistently is because they are profitable. So instead of you try to do everything on your own, isn't it much better that you see what kind of ads your competitors are running, or forget about competitors, what kind of ads the people in your niche are running, what kind of let's suppose funnels the people in your niche are running. If you can see that, then your investment of time is going to be much less in coming up with the winners, and your chances of failure are going to be much less because you already have winning ads and winning funnels right in front of you. Is that clear? Let me know. Is that clear? So this is the whole point of funnel hacking exercise, in which what you can simply do is there are multiple ways to funnel hack. Facebook copy and paste hack is one of them. I have a detailed video on my YouTube channel, in which I have shared more ways to funnel hack. But in this session, I'm going to share with you some of the, like the Facebook ad way of funnel hacking. But you can do the funnel hacking on websites. You can do the funnel hacking on YouTube. You can do the funnel hacking on Google. And um, there was one more. Yeah, so you can do funnel hacking on multiple platforms. In this session, let me show you funnel hacking of Facebook ads. Okay, so let me just show you very quickly. So so what you need to do is, Facebook का एक free tool आता है by the name Facebook ad library. ठीक है? And you will go to Facebook ad library, and you will type any keyword over there. For example, for the sake of this example, we have searched for cookies. Okay. You can search for cookies. You can search for anything, whatever your niche is. If you are a dentist, you will search for a dentist. If you are into real estate, you will search for that. Whatever it is, you search for that. Okay, let me show you right now. For example, Facebook ad library. And let's suppose, अभी अगर मेरे को let's suppose if I am a dentist, or if I am going to run the ads for a dentist, right? Maybe I can search for the keyword dentist directly, but I will also search for some other keywords, something like, let's say, braces, क्योंकि डेंटिस्ट लोग जो होते हैं वो ब्रेसेस वाला एक ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं ना. Maybe let's search for that, right? Braces treatment. Yeah, Google ad library is also there. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Yeah, see, transforming gaps into gorgeous smiles. By the way, this is a hook, right? Transforming gaps into gorgeous smiles. So let's have a look at this one. This ad was launched today itself, 13th of December. So when you are looking at the ads, when you are so Facebook Ad Library is a platform using which you can see any ad which is running on Facebook and Instagram, and you can search for the exact keyword, like what exact ad is running right now with that particular keyword, and then you can apply this filter. You can click on this filter button, and you can search. Let's suppose for an ad. Let's say, for example, today is 13 December, right? You can search for a previous date. Let's suppose 1 July, that the impressions were also visible on 1st of July. Okay, something like that. Now let's have a look at this. So what it is showing you is all the ads which are currently active, which means they are profitable, and they were also running on the 1st of July. So imagine this thing. This ad started on 21st June. This ad started on 21st June. This ad started on 28th June. So since the month of June, these ads are still active right now. What does tell you? This simply tells you that this ad is profitable, and this ad is profitable today, right? And similarly, you can do the funnel hacking of all the topmost best performing ads. You can do the funnel hacking of all the topmost best performing funnels. When you are creating your own ads, when you are starting from the scratch, why to do it from the scratch? Why to do it from applying your own brain when you can see already what is working? Have a look at this. You will have to apply your brain, like what is going to work, what is not. But you can see what is already working. Straighten your smile with confidence, dreaming of perfectly aligned teeth, whatever, whatever, whatever. Now, I'm not asking you to copy the exact same thing, but you can take inspiration, right? And you can take inspiration from the videos, you can take inspiration from the ad copy and everything. People, clear? So you can do a quickly funnel hacking exercise, just like this. Clear? Let me know. Okay. What we are gonna do now is we are gonna set up a quick funnel journey for different types of businesses right now, and let's do it very very quickly. Okay. Let's say let's say this was a astrology page, right? इसमें अपन editor पे जाते हैं, and let's create something. Okay, people, give me a niche, give me a niche that for which I you want me to create right now. Okay, Balmukun says fitness coach. We can pick this. Different types of examples. ठीक है, या फिर ठीक है, पुनीत, एक ही बात हो गई ना, जब फिटनेस कोच या जिम ट्रेनर हमने पिक कर लिया, मैं रैंडमली यहाँ पे नोट करता जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? ठीक है, लेट्स पिक दिस वन ऑल्सो. दिस लुक्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. एसएससी कोचिंग. एसएससी कोचिंग इज 10th class coaching or something different. Vikram Singh ji and Samira. Okay, yeah, we will pick this one also. Two wheeler. So maybe you have a two wheeler shop. ठीक है, मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ फनल्स को रेडी करते हैं. गौरव सेज चाइल्ड पेरेंटिंग. ठीक है, एक इसको पिक करते हैं. एंड व्हाट एल्स? लेट मी पिक वन मोर. Okay, maybe we will pick this one. Ayurvedic hospital walk-ins. ठीक है. So people, you can see my screen, right? मैंने यहाँ पे आई हैव टेकन द एग्जांपल ऑफ मल्टीपल डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेसेस, एंड आई एम गोना create the funnel journey of these 5 different types of businesses right in front of you, right? So this will give you ample enough idea of how to do it for any business, right? When once I'm doing it for 5 different businesses of different types of niches. ठीक है, तो अपने आप ही आपको क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी. माई स्क्रीन शुड बी विजिबल, राइट? मैं एक बार स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑफ कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम गोना शेयर इट वन मोर टाइम. मैं एक बार मैंने ना कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन में थोड़ा सा कंटेंट कवर करा था. लेट मी कवर इट वेरी वेरी क्विकली, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट दीज कस्टमर जर्नीज. ठीक है, सो लेट मी डू इट वेरी क्विकली because I shared some of this part in my initial session also. So let me do it very quickly in this session, and then we will quickly go ahead. For example, for every industry, you can always create faceless products. Okay, it can be anything. And this is something that our customers are doing, creating their faceless products, and they are scaling with the help of the faceless products also. Faceless product can be a ebook. It can be anything downloadable that customers get. Maybe a simple membership, a simple course, maybe a 4 hour course or anything. It can be anything, right? And you can sell it directly with the help of sales page. अब अगर हम वापस से यहाँ पे आते हैं, for example, let's say for all of these businesses, right? Let's do the quick exercise with the help of ChatGPT simultaneously. Okay. For all of these businesses, I feel a digital product can be created, right? Let's say, hey, I'm going to share some business niches with you right now. And if I have to create a digital product for that, maybe a ebook for that, can you give me a very, very detailed outline for that ebook that will be a absolutely no-brainer offering for that particular industry and for the exact target audience? So you need to define for that particular niche what will be the exact target audience, and for the exact target audience what is going to be the absolutely um, perfect no-brainer offering, and then just outline all the modules that will be there or the lessons or the chapters that will be there in that particular ebook. Okay, people, this is not prompting. I'm just talking to AI. This is not at all prompting, right? And prompting, I won't say it is overrated. I can do this exercise by becoming a prompt engineer first. The exercise that we did earlier, right? Act as a prompt engineer. Then the output is going to be much better. But I want to save time, right? So I'm not acting as a prompt engineer and all of that. But you get the logic, right? Like once you have told that act as a prompt engineer, then after that it is very simple. Then you can just directly talk to AI. Yeah, for sure. What you can do is let me show you. Ayurveda में लिख रहा हूँ. I'm not saying Ayurveda hospital. I'm just saying Ayurveda. Okay. मैंने अभी बोला ये वाली चीज की prompting is not important over here. I'm just chatting. I'm just talking to AI. It's not prompting. It's just chatting with AI, right? But you can use the prompt of this one that I shared earlier. Prompt to write a prompt. You should be using it, but right now to save time, I'm just gonna doing it right now. But yeah, there is one thing that I can quickly share with you, and that is you can say step back and do this task. Think step by step and explain why. This is something that you can put whenever you are giving a good task to AI. This is something that you can put. When you do this, this is something that comes under advanced prompting. When you do this, step back and do this task, then AI, instead of just starting with the task, it takes a step back and then it plans. Okay. And think step by step and explain why. That is another advanced prompting. You can just copy this and put it in the bottom of every single task that you are giving to AI. Okay. Can you create GPT for course creation prompts? We can. We can. Like inside FlexiFunnels, our goal is to launch a lot of GPTs and to launch a lot of AI agents. Okay. Okay. Here's how I'm approaching this. So it becomes a true no-brainer. Again, people, if you do it with proper prompting and better prompting, you will get a much better output. But just to save time, I'm just doing it very quickly. Okay. Promise one clear outcome. See, this is something that I told you in the session today, right? Pick one clear buyer. People, in the session today, in the morning, what did I tell you? Have just one ideal customer avatar. If you create a product for everybody, that's not gonna sell. This is exactly what AI is telling you. Not everybody interested in X. Pick one very clear buyer. This is the basic fundamental whenever you are selling anything to anybody. This is the most basic thing. That is why I shared this thing in the first session today. And then promise one clear outcome that they want badly. Instead of promising hundreds of outcome, one clear outcome. Okay. Make it feel low risk with fast wins, templates, checklist, and a simple plan. People, can you see this? These are all the things that we covered in the session today. And structure the ebook so that readers can read end to end or jump straight to do this today pages, right? Have a look at this. Fitness coach. Exact target audience can be busy working Indians who want fat loss plus energy, but they struggle with inconsistent routine, cravings, late night eating, gym confusion or no time, restarting every Monday. No brainer ebook offer, 28-day fat loss made simple ebook एंड डिटेल्ड आउटलाइन प्लान मॉड्यूल्स लेसन्स इसने सारे सबका बना दिया अब सी आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट इन एनी ऑफ दीज निशेस so it's not my job to figure out whether it has done it in the right way or not but as you can see it has done a fairly good job मेरा काम क्या है यहाँ पे मेरा काम ये है आपको ये दिखाना कि हाउ टू कन्वर्ट एन ऑफर आउट ऑफ थिन एयर right so that's what my job is that I can pick an offer out of air and I can convert it into something sellable right so let me show it to you right now okay I like the ebook plan for the fitness niche can you give me a quick prompt that I can put into my AI website builder and it will understand what exactly I want on this sales page because I want to sell this ebook with my sales page. Can you give me a quick prompt that I will put to my website builder so that it understands what the product is all about and for whom the product is, and it can create the sales page. All right. Okay. Okay. So, see, people, the good thing is we have already created the AI website builder for you, which is FlexiFunnels. Right now, step number one, I picked some product ideas that you shared with me in the chat. Out of thin air, we created a ebook out of it, which is a very specific audience ebook with a very specific outcome. And now I have the instructions ready for the sales page that we are gonna put it into our AI website builder, right? Design suggestions if you want. All of this is not needed. I just need the content because all of this we have already programmed into our FlexiFunnels AI builder. Since it does not know, so it has given everything. But I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. Okay. What the ebook includes, use this as a feature section. Okay. And what this ebook is not, primary promise. I'm just gonna put this into the AI website builder of FlexiFunnels. Right. And I'm just gonna ask it to create this particular ebook sales page. ebook आप अलग से बनाओगे वो आप चैट जीपीटी क्लॉड के साथ मिलके बना लो जेमिनी के साथ मिलके बना लो आपकी मर्जी है बट इसका सेल्स पेज यू आर मेकिंग दिस वाया फ्लेक्सीफनल्स ठीक है ओके लेट्स डू वन मोर ओके लेट्स डू वन मोर अच्छा बाय द वे it has also given us a structure hero section वगैरह वगैरह but you don't need to do it because all of this we have done in FlexiFunnels already so you just put what is needed in the ebook that's it you just need to put that एक किसी और प्रोडक्ट के लिए भी कर लेते हैं ठीक है जल्दी से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयुर्वेदा वाला urban adults with lifestyle issues no brainer ebook offer is this okay hey can you give me the same sales page instructions for the ebook sales page for ayurveda niche that we discussed above okay so in a new tab where we are gonna create the sales page for that ayurveda ebook also okay let's do it very quickly okay ठीक है so now FlexiFunnels AI website builder has started with the job and it is gonna do the whole thing for you immediately right ये तो हो गया for example this is the example of let's say what direct sales page selling let's take the example some other example okay so I told you the first example was faceless digital products in which you don't need to show your face I mean, 50% of the revenue that I have generated online, it has been faceless selling. Like on the sales pages, I have never had my face. Nobody knows who has created this product. And like, this is how I have done 50% of my selling. Like, you can be completely anonymous. Nobody knows who you are. And 50%. And again, digital products does not take require any money to create the product, does not require any money to deliver the product. And like, just like this, you can create multiple digital products. And you can start selling it, right? What do you sell faceless? My internationally, the products that I was selling, you know my history, right? At least you know my history. Between 2016 to 2020, all the international products that I was selling, they were all faceless products, right? Okay, 1 second. Can we do it for SSC Institute as well? Let's have a look at it. I mean, you are the best judge. You tell me. You are an expert, right? So let's have a look at this. Do you think that this is something that some of your SSC students would be interested in? Let's have a look at this. SSC coaching, SSC CGL CHSL MTS aspirants, age group 18 to 37. Honestly, I have no idea what is CGL, CHSL, MTS. That's where we take the help of AI, right? This is the exact target audience. Study hard but feel scattered, don't know what to revise, struggle with mock analysis, get demotivated after low scores. No brainer ebook offer, 90-day SSC rank booster blueprint, daily 2 to 4 hour plan. It includes 90-day timetable, topic wise priority, mock test strategy, formula ebook, uh, whatever. Detailed ebook outline, the SSC game plan, syllabus to score map, 90-day timetable, quant, speed plus accuracy. Do you think this is something that your students would be interested in? Let me know. Okay. Okay. By the way, जो इस निश के एक्सपर्ट हैं, so this is a validation by Vikram Singh ji that yes, my students would be interested in this thing. Let me give you one more hyper on top of the situation on top of this. Okay, think about it. The situation that we just discussed some time back. Okay, just a some time back. I shared with you 1 second. I shared with you an equation. See, if you are confident that this is something which can be sold, right? Let's have a look at this. If you are confident that this is something which can be sold, let's suppose when you are getting started, forget about even selling it, right? Just give it away for free and create your direct communication channels. This is exactly what I was telling you just 10 minutes back. Either you can start directly selling the products, or you can give away great products for absolutely free, build your email list, build your direct communication channels, WhatsApp channels, email channels, everything. And then you can keep on creating products in the back end, and you can keep on selling the products in the back end. This is exactly what is supposed to be done. And this whole business model we just implemented right in front of you in the last 30 minutes. Is this clear to people? Clear to all of you? Let me know. Type yes. And you can do it for any niche. It does not even matter which niche you are into. I'm not an expert niche of SSC, but I can convince a SSC person expert right now that hey, you know what, great products can be created. And most importantly, we have not even done advanced prompting. This was simple basic prompting, right? We can create it much better, and we can do a much better job, right? Okay. Okay, let's do it for some other businesses, right? इसको बंद करते हैं. So this is the example of a digital product business. A lot of our customers are doing it. ठीक है, they are putting in the bump offers and all. अभी इतना advanced नहीं जाते हैं. And this is the funnel maths just for you. So 20,000 rupees का per day का ad spend, 50,000 rupees per day का revenue. I shared with you online coaching, right? So you can also do your online coaching. I shared this thing with you earlier that you can run the ads, maybe get people to sign up for your webinars, just like this one. Promote your products, generate revenue out of that. So, for example, in this case, he ran the ads for 3,000 rupees, got 60 leads, 44 people signed up for his webinar. 10 people purchased on the same day his 10,000 rupees course. That's 1 lakh rupees in single day. And 4 people purchased on the next day. That's another 40,000 rupees. So 3,000 rupees ad spend, 1,40,000 rupees revenue. We can create this customer journey also. Let's do it for some of the business niche, maybe child parenting. चाइल्ड पेरेंटिंग के लिए एक ये वाला रेडी करते हैं, ठीक है? चाइल्ड पेरेंट, लेट्स डू इट फॉर चाइल्ड पेरेंटिंग राइट ओवर हियर. Okay, let's do a separate exercise. I'm gonna run a child parenting webinar. Okay, and you need to identify and help me with the clear offer, just like the same exercise that we did earlier. Clear offer, clear audience, clear benefit, and let's first of all outline that, and then we will go ahead and create the webinar page instruction for the child parenting webinar. First of all, let's just create the exact offer that we will be working on. Can you generate the website for SSC Institute as well? We'll do that. We'll do that. Let's do it one by one. टू व्हीलर के लिए भी कर लेते हैं. टू व्हीलर वाला लोकल बिजनेस में आएगा ना. अभी हम लोग बिजनेस कैटेगरी नंबर 2 में है. डोंट वरी. ठीक है. वेरी स्पेसिफिक बेस्ट फिट ऑडियंस, हाई पेन प्लस हाई एनर्जी, हाई अर्जेंसी. Parents of children aged 2 to 10 years, especially working parents, both parents working or single parent working, urban, semi urban families. People, this is the exact idea of ICA, ideal customer avatar. The first exercise that we did, right? Parents who genuinely care but feel exhausted, confused, guilty, frustrated. What they are struggling with daily, constant tantrums and meltdown, child not listening or arguing back, etc. etc. This is an emotionally loaded audience, perfect for the webinar. Uh, the person who was talking about child parenting, is this something that aligns with your focus? If you are into child parenting, let me know. Is this something that aligns with your focus? And parents don't want better parenting knowledge, they want peace at home. And people, this is the difference between फीचर्स एंड बेनिफिट्स. पेरेंट्स को बेटर पेरेंटिंग नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए, उनको पीस एट होम चाहिए. उनको चाइल्ड हु लिसन्स विदाउट शाउटिंग, predictable routines, fewer fights, and less guilt and stress. This is exactly what I was telling you, that you need to do the research. You will get the exact keywords, what exactly your customers are looking forward to, right? And of course, you can use the AI. Okay. I'm not gonna go through the whole description. Okay, now just give me instructions that I can put into my AI website builder, and I can create the webinar registration page, right? Give me a broader outline for it. Acha, by the way, this Ayurveda sales page is already ready. We can have a look at it. In the meantime, let me put this prompt and then we can have a look at it, okay? Oops, sorry. Okay, okay. So these are the instructions. One second. Yeah. Uh, I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, so these are the instructions, and we are just gonna put this over here. Very simple. Into the AI bot of FlexiFunnels. And by the way, the sales page for the digital product for this weight loss is also ready. We can have a quick look at it. The 28-day fat loss system for busy Indians. Lose stubborn fat with simple home workouts and Indian meals without strict dieting. Just 20-30 minutes per day. Indian food friendly. Proven by 1,000 plus Indians. Get started today. Results in just 28 days. People, what do you think of this? Just the first fold. See, when it comes down to good copywriting, tomorrow I'm going to teach you good copywriting and we are going to show you the multiple examples of good copywriting. But this is right in front of you. When it comes up, and that is why, I was sharing this thing with you. Copywriting is different than content writing. The most important thing is when it comes to copywriting, your audience should see the exact promise 28-day fat loss. Okay. Specifically for busy Indians, And in a very short span, they should be able to see the outcome. And proven by 1,000 plus Indians, results in just 28 days. Hanji? हाँ हाँ हम्म मैं सेशन कर लूँ. Okay. All right. 1 second. Yeah. So as you can see, the whole page is created, and most importantly, with the proven conversion elements, with the proven conversion tactics. That is something which is the most important thing, right? Let's have a look at this. Why most Indians fail to lose fat despite trying everything from gym memberships to fancy diets. The daily struggle is real. Here's the solution. Simple homework, practical Indian food system, day by day guidance. This is not just another weight loss program, time efficient, Indian food system, sustainable results, what not to expect, what you will get. Full page has been created. And this is your digital product with digital product delivery, fully automated, already ready for you. इसको पूरा ready करते हैं अभी अपन, ठीक है? And of course, I can drag and drop and I can put my customer testimonials, everything over here. ठीक है? I can do this. Let's have a look at this. Here's everything that you are going to get. 28-day transformation, step by step fat loss plan, home workout, Indian diet, grocery, etc. etc. You can set up the price. Digital products typically people sell for 300, 400, 500 rupees. And yeah, you can set up the whole thing, right? And you don't even need to create anything. Like everything has been done immediately with the help of AI. Similarly, for the Ayurveda lifestyle, have a look at this. Better digestion, sleep, and energy in just 30 days. Transform how you feel every day with simple, practical Ayurvedic rituals that fit your modern lifestyle. Let's have a look at this. Feeling tired, bloated, sleep deprived. People, what do you think of this? Have a look at this. What do you think of this? Let me know if you find this to be really good. Type wow in the chat box. And we have created products, we have created services, we have created the whole sales page, everything, the whole journey, right? And especially when you will do this with a proper system, when you will do the proper funnel hacking exercise, when you will write down even better prompts, then it's going to be a far more better journey for you, right? All right. अभी इन सबको अपन कन्वर्ट भी करते हैं. एंड अच्छा, वेबिनार वाला, ओके, वेबिनार पेज इज ऑलरेडी गेटिंग क्रिएटेड. टू व्हीलर वाला बचा हुआ है ना, टू व्हीलर के लिए भी क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, so we are a prominent two-wheeler showroom and automobile company based out of Hyderabad, and we are launching our brand new EV scooter, which has a very huge mileage. And okay, um, I want to create a waitlist page for people who will subscribe for it, and they will get an extra special offer when we launch this particular two-wheeler in the market in just 1 month from now. Okay, so people, here's a quick example. Again, I'm using ChatGPT for it, and it's gonna give me the prompt which I can put into my AI website builder. And for this particular example, two-wheeler. So I'm creating that, let's say, just a hypothetical situation that, hey, you know what, I'm launching a new product, and I want to create a waitlist page for it, right? So it's a AV scooter waitlist page or an early access page. Create a waitlist landing page for an upcoming electric scooter launch. And I'm not doing it hypothetically. This is what my customers are already doing. And by the way, this was the example of the courses. Our customers are already creating courses and selling them, right? 9 lakh rupees revenue, 30,000 rupees ad spend. 22 lakh rupees revenue, 2.5 lakh rupees ad spend. Similarly, they are selling it via sales pages also. Have a look at this. Made 1 crore in the last 9 months. Like, we have like tons and tons and tons of success stories, because when you have the right systems with the right tools, then automatically getting results become a very, very simple equation. Similarly, I showed this to you earlier. People are selling their consultation, right? Ad spend of 10,000 rupees, revenue of 1.5 lakh rupees by selling their fitness consultation. Similarly, for example, the example that I just showed you, two-wheeler waitlist. This is what a customer of ours already did, Rakesh. So what he did was he created a waitlist page for this tempo. Have a look at this. This was the waitlist page for the tempo. 8,400 rupees of ad spend, 131 leads generated. Out of these 131 leads, Four of them they purchased. So a revenue of 12 lakh rupees was generated by spending just 8,400 rupees. This is exactly the same thing you can keep on doing over and over and over again for any business. Any business. Is this clear? Let me know. Same thing was done for this thing, second hand car dealer, 4,800 rupees, 129 leads generated, sold to 19 of them, and 19 lakh, sorry, five of them, 19 lakh rupees generated. Have a look at this. Real estate, 24,000 rupees of ad spend, 1,200 leads generated, 30 sold, multiple crores rupees generated, and with an ad spend of 24,000 rupees. These kind of pages you can keep on generating, and I'm gonna show it to you. Let's do it one more time. And those of you who are newbies over here, let's suppose you don't have your own business, you can do this whole thing, this whole exercise that I'm doing right in front of you for your clients. This is what a lot of our customers are already doing. They are charging 3 lakh rupees for building the whole funnel, $5,000 for building the whole funnel, $4,500, $2,200. If you don't have your own product, your own funnels, your own services, you can promote somebody else's product. There are so many businesses out there. There are dentists, there are saloon, there are gyms, there are restaurants, there are coaches, there are consultants. So many products out there, physical products, digital products. You can do the wholesale marketing, and now you know what exactly is supposed to be done. This is what our customers are charging: minimum 2 lakh rupees and 10% of the ad spend. This is what they are charging, and they are cracking all of these high value deals, right? And we have given you the trainings also, by the way. So let us quickly create this whole system. अभी हमने ये ईवी स्कूटर का वेटलिस्ट पेज रेडी करा था ना. Let's do it right now. Okay, let's put this into the prompt builder. You can do it for any kind of business. Let's not ask this question. You can do this whole exercise for any kind of business. अब आपका vegan butter है, वो भी तो एंड कस्टमाइज को ही तो चाहिए ना, राइट? अल्टीमेटली अब वीगन बटर के बारे में आप मेरे को बताओ, अब आप कैसे करोगे? अब आप जा जाके रोड पे एक ही पर्सन को बताओगे कि हे मेरा वीगन बटर है, मेरा वीगन बटर है, मेरा वीगन बटर है, या एक सेल्स पेज बनाओगे, सेल्स पेज पे सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल दोगे और वीगन बटर का ऐड चला के डायरेक्टली कस्टमर्स को वहां पे बोलोगे डायरेक्टली यहाँ से परचेज कर लो. थिंक अबाउट इट. इट कैन बी डन फॉर एनीथिंग एंड एनीबडी. Right, let's have a look at this. This is a webinar page which is now ready. Calm parenting formula, save my free spot, right? And it has given all the details, and you can replace anything that is right over here. Let me click on the edit button, and let me let's say select any, let's say Kavita fashion. Okay, and let's say parenting, and this is a lead page. Okay, I'm gonna publish this. Similarly, let's publish this. Okay, so for this example, this was a sales page, right? Let's publish this. And this is one and the same thing. Like, so I'm not gonna publish this. Okay, and let's do domain not required. You can connect domain. FlexiFunnels, you have this feature to connect domains. SSC coaching ka we can build something, no problem. But again, you get the logic, right? That's the whole logic, that this is how we can build for anybody. So let's suppose, let's create quickly for, let's say, SSC coaching. So let's say for SSC coaching, what is your major sales model? Let's build it right now. What is your major sales model? Do you prefer, let's suppose, lead generation? Do you want people to sign up on your page? What exactly is your major sales model? Or is it a local institute? Is it an online institute? How exactly do you promote your sales SSC coaching institute? Local institute. Okay. Okay. Let's discuss with AI only. So I have a SSC coaching local institute. What is the best way and best plan for me that I should be promoting my SSC coaching local institute? What kind of funnel I should be creating? ठीक है, see, this is exactly where funnel hacking exercise comes into the picture, because I am not running a SSC coaching institute. So what I will do is I will research what my competitors are doing, or what other good SSC institutes are doing, and not even just SSC institutes, any kind of institute, what they are doing. And when I do that research, I will know the exact blueprint, the exact plan, that okay, this is how they are promoting, okay, this is how I should be promoting. This is exactly where funnel hacking as an exercise, it comes into the picture. Okay, let's have a look at this. What actually works for a local SSC institute? The best funnel you should create, step-by-step promotion plan, common mistakes to avoid. They care about results, doubt solving, consistency, discipline. They do not trust big promises, crack SSC in 30 days, too much online jargon. The best funnel, what not to do, directly join our batch, sending traffic straight to the fees page, generic awareness. What works best is free value. This is exactly what we did, right? First of all, we created that ebook, free value, build trust, do the counseling, and then the enrollment. So, Vikram Singh ji, this is exactly what we did as the first thing. First of all, we worked on your ebook plan, run this for free, generate lot of signups, have people in the backend that we can do the consultation for you, and when you do that consultation for them, you can promote your institute right over there. क्लियर है या फिर दोबारा से मैं आपको बताऊं? Let me and people, is this clear? For example, let me do that one more time. So create good value, which can be, let's suppose, in the form of an ebook. This is what I tell even schools to do it, right? I mean, giving value upfront is always the best strategy. Why not, right? Give first, then ask for later, right? So ebook create kara, value deliver kara. On the thank you page, you have got them into a WhatsApp group also. And WhatsApp group is just the starting point, by the way. You can go a little bit more advanced. We have taught you inside our trainings, FlexiFunnels. And जैसे for example, all of you receive our emails also, right? You also receive our WhatsApp messages also. So they are sent from proper email marketing and WhatsApp tools. Maybe when you are getting started, you can just use WhatsApp groups, no problem. But going forward, you can keep on adding. Start with the WhatsApp group, which is free of cost. Then you can keep on adding the other channels. And on the thank you page itself, you can put a call booking link. A call booking link in which people can book a call with you, right? I'm just gonna show it to you a little bit of it right now. ठीक है, एक बार ये वाला funnel भी मैं आपको create करके दिखा देता हूँ. Let's create all these funnels right now, right in front of all of you, right? So ये मेरा webinar का पेज रेडी हो गया था, ये मेरा सेल्स पेज रेडी हो गया था. ठीक है, I'm closing this page. एंड इन सारे फनल्स का जो पूरा वो है कैलकुलेशन, वो आपको ऑलरेडी समझ में आ चुका है, राइट? वी हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड सम ऑफ दीज कैलकुलेशंस विद यू, राइट? गेट अर्ली एक्सेस, whatever you can do that. Have a look at this: quick charging, superior power, durability built in, smart features, ample storage. So fuel charge, like it has shown you the 3 year saving. This is how a AI built page is supposed to be. And the AI built page should not just randomly spit something. It should understand marketing. The best part about Flexi AI is we have taught marketing to our AI. So it understands what is supposed to be put on a sales page. So that's why it creates this pages for you, right? So let's have a look at this. VIP status, limited time offer, etc., right? So when we have created this AI page, एक इसको भी रेडी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? Let me show you the whole funnel journey for all of these. Okay. So once your page is ready, okay, very quickly, once your page is ready, you can quickly do the changes, whatever changes you want to do. For example, you want to change the text, you want to change the size, color, whatever you want to change, you can do it very, very quickly, right? All of this is like very easily changeable. For example, you want to change this to something like maybe this, right? Or maybe something like this, totally up to you. You can change anything, you can do any customization. You do not need any developer, coder, programmer, or anybody to do any changes for you, right? And I showed the whole thing right now, right? And you can change these images, whatever you want to change, right? Totally up to you. For example, you want to put this image. This is the handsome image of our Yogesh, who was here in the session in the morning. Anyways, so this webinar page is getting ready. For example, I don't want a button right over here. What I want is, I want a webinar sign up form. See, I'm not going to spend time into designing, right? But still, I'm going to show you something that how you can quickly do the designing, how you can quickly do the editing and save your time. Okay, I'm just going to show you very, very quickly. For example, um, let's say if I want to design this webinar page very quickly, I don't just want name, email ID. I also want phone number. So I'm going to ask for the phone number as well, right? And then let's suppose I want to do some settings. For example, I want the form to be a little bigger, right? At the same time, let's suppose I want the button to be, let's say, something like this, green in color, right? Maybe this green in color. And I can put a headline, probably something like, let's say, okay, let me delete this part and let me quickly duplicate this, download for the free webinar below. Okay, so this is my free value that I am putting out there. Download for the free webinar below. एक ये मैंने यहाँ पे पेज बना के डाल दिया. And let's suppose I'm changing this color to something like this so that it highlights. And then if I want to put some space, because it is too much attached with the above part, so I can do this, right? So I'm putting the space and I'm making it center aligned. So very quickly I can do all the changes that I want to do. Okay. And if I want, let's suppose some space between this, so I can do that, right? So very quickly I have done the changes. And once the changes are done, okay, let's do this very, very quickly. So I'm gonna publish this right now. You can see this is designed and this is created, right? So this is the easy part. Now what can be done is, I'm just gonna show you. We'll come back to this page, okay? We will have to come back to this page. But right now, we'll go to create a thank you page. Abhi, what we have done is, Abhi we have created a webinar sign up page. Let's create a thank you page, okay? So the thank you page is, let's say, parenting thank you. And similarly, you can create the whole journey for overall anybody, right? Parenting thank you, right? And this is my thank you page. Okay. And for the thank you page, I don't even need to create it from AI because there are multiple templates, right? So I'm going to pick any template. For example, let's suppose this one. Just an example. You can pick any template, totally up to you. I'm just randomly picking this particular template, okay? So this is parenting thank you. Let me just pick this particular template. Okay. So let's suppose that let's say, congratulations. I can type something like this. Congratulations. You are registered for the parenting session. Okay, of course, you can put your own details, whatever you want to put, right? Check your inbox for the details, for example. And then what you can do is, very quickly, you can put a button over here. See, this is exactly what I was telling you right now, right? You can put a button over here, this, which will take to the WhatsApp group, right? Let's say, increase the size of this if you want to, right? Up to you. And the button messaging is going to be something like this. Join WhatsApp community. Okay. At the same time, if you want to increase the font size, font text, all of this you can do very quickly. And let's suppose you want to play around with the background of this, you can do that very quickly. All of that you can do the customization, right? Bottom part, if you want to delete and edit any of this, you can do that. Now, once your WhatsApp group is created, what you simply need to do is, in the settings, Right over here, you will put the link of your WhatsApp group. Right now, I don't have a link for the WhatsApp group. So I'm putting the link for this flexifunnels.com. Okay. And I'm clicking on publish. And when somebody clicks on this, in a new window, flexifunnels.com should be opening. This is what I'm putting, right? Okay. And then I'm going to click on publish. So this is getting published. If you will see, if I will put this, flexifunnels.com is actually getting opened. So this is exactly what we created, right? Now, let's publish this one more time. I'm gonna duplicate this link and I'm gonna exit out of this. Okay, let's exit out of this. And जो आपका webinar page हमने create करा था, for that webinar page, let's connect it with the thank you page. Okay, so this is the 1 second. This is the thank you page that we have just created, right? So, quick recap. We have created the webinar registration page, or we have created the sales page, whatever it is, or we have created the waitlist page, or we have created the SSC coaching wala ebook page, and now we have created the thank you page. And now we can connect both of them, right? You can connect both of them. So ये जो parenting वाला page हमने create करा था, I can click on the edit button, right? And this thank you page that we have just created, I can go ahead and put this thank you button right over here. Let's suppose this email settings that I'm selecting. When somebody signs up, I want them to go to this particular website URL on this particular window. And so now this data will be registered, as well as the person will move to the thank you page. If you want, okay, somebody is asking email integration. It is very easy. You will connect on connect here, and whatever email page that you will be creating, whatever integration you can do it very quickly, very easily. You can connect with the webinars, you can connect with autoresponders, you can connect with webhooks. All of this training and knowledge base has been given to you. You can do it very, very quickly, very easily, right? So once this is done, we'll click on publish. Vikramji, same thing. No, you can do the same thing right over here. The parenting page, usme simple drag and drop editing. It's one and the same thing only. We don't need to do the same exercise for everything, right? And if I will sign up right over here, right? Let's say, again, I'm just gonna put something random over here, and I'm gonna put my phone number as well. So if I sign up, when you sign up, just say, for example, when you signed up for this webinar, you are moved to the thank you page, and automatically you have got the link for the WhatsApp community also. Very, very simple. And this is how the whole funnel journey has been created. And now your funnel journey is good to go. You have already learned how to launch the ads, and you launch the ads on internet, on Facebook, on Instagram, and your whole funnel is running on complete automation. This is what you will be doing every single day in and out. And this is going to run on complete automation every single time, right? And let's suppose you have an ebook to deliver, for example, right? You can simply click on connect here, and whenever somebody would subscribe, the ebook will be delivered automatically. So in the digital asset tab, maybe you have an ebook which is created. Let's suppose this personal finance ebook or whatever. You can create an ebook, upload it, very simple, drag and drop. And now anybody who is going to sign up, they will get this ebook delivered to them automatically. So your whole business is running on automation, and people are getting signing up. They are getting connected. They are going to the thank you page. Everything is running, right? थैंक यू पेज पे डाउनलोड बटन भी लगा सकते हैं, आपकी मर्जी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे अगर हम बात करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सपोज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट, लेट्स से, डॉक्टर प्रदन्या, आर यू ओवर हियर? लेट मी नो, टाइप यस. And Vikram ji, let's suppose when somebody subscribes to you on the main page, maybe you want on the thank you page, maybe you want one-to-one call booking link, right? Maybe you want to put a call booking link so that people can book a call with you, right? So you can use applications. For example, if you will go on top of FlexiFunnels, we have created this call booking page over here, and you can create a simple page like this wherein people can book a call with you, right? And something like this with a calendar. Okay, And it is very, very simple to do. I will just show you. And with a calendar, they can pick a date and time. For example, 15 December, 11:30 a.m. They want to book a call, and they will book a call with you. Okay, one second. Where exactly this data is going to be seen? I will just show you. That's a good question. Either you can pass this data free of cost to Google Sheet or to any email marketing platform we have taught to you inside the trainings, or you can just see the data right over here in the reports. You will be able to see the entire data. Okay, name, email ID, phone number, and if there are any other fields also, you will be able to see the entire data. Clear? Okay. And how to create a calendar? Yes, this is exactly what I was sharing. So you can create calendars like this, right? You can create calendars like this. Now imagine you have a call booking link. Simply, you will go to this thank you page of yours, and let's suppose you want to give the link of a WhatsApp group. You have given the link of a WhatsApp group, and you also have given the link of your book a free call. So let's suppose you give both the links, and now people who are signing up, they will get both the links. For example, the first link is, let's say I'm going to bring this headline: join our WhatsApp community, right? This is the first link that we have given. And second is, let's say, let me copy this. Okay, I'm not focusing on the designing aspect of it right now. Okay. And book your free consultation. Okay, so we have given this link, and now we have created this free consultation page. Again, simple drag and drop. Everything is like super simple. And you will put that particular link right over here. Very simple. Instead of that thank you link or WhatsApp group link, you will just put this link. That's it. And you click on publish. And simply on the button settings, you will simply say something like book free consultation. That's it. So which software you're using for WhatsApp community? We are using a very, very special software. The name of the software is WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, you can create WhatsApp communities for absolutely free. You don't need to use any other software. Okay, so we just click on publish, and it's going to be available right for you. And when somebody clicks, again, see, you are the creator of this world, right? So you need to design. Again, let's come back to this equation. Let's come back to this equation. People, quick recap. You create the world that you want to create. This whole customer journey, that is your job to create. With respect to your business, you decide what should be the flow. Do you want to give a calendar booking link right on the sales page, right on the main page, or on the thank you page, or maybe via email, or maybe in the WhatsApp group? Or do you just want to build a community? Or do you just want to directly sell the product on the sales page? No community, nothing. You decide what you want to do, and you can keep on changing and integrating, and you can keep on experimenting with different messaging. I have not even shown you, by the way, I have not even shown you something which is very, very powerful inside the apps. We have created something which is very, very powerful, and that is Flexi AI Marketing Agent. It takes care of your entire marketing work, like all the ad copies, marketing copies, video ad script, everything. You don't need to use any chat GPT or anything, because see, I'm not expecting you to be a marketer, because Vikramji is an expert in SSC. Somebody is an expert in back pain. Somebody is an expert in XYZ, parenting, childhood, whatever. You are expert in multiple things. What we have done is, we just like we have taught the AI to create these professional sales pages and professional landing pages with copywriting, professional copywriting done. Similarly, we have taught the AI to do the marketing job for you also. It creates reminder emails, sales emails, ad copies, upsell ideas, headline copies, webinar page headlines, WhatsApp reminders, ad hooks. It creates everything for you, video ad scripts. And we have taught marketing to it already. So you just need to tell the information about your product, and it will create the ad copies which you are going to find very, very high converting. Similarly, it will give you the ad hooks. Similarly, the video ad scripts. Everything we have already done for you. You just need to use it, right? So we have already applied the marketing brain over there. You just need to keep on using the whole system. Clear, everybody? Hemant is asking how the calendar page was built. There are multiple calendar tools. One of the popular ones is by the name Calendly. You can use Calendly, and so it's a very popular and very simple to use tool. People clear? Let me know. Clear? Let me know. Okay. All right. And Calendly's free version is also more than sufficient to start with. Okay. Okay, people, it's 6:19. Okay, we will take a quick 3 to 4 minutes break and then we will be back. And let's suppose maybe at around 6:25 p.m. Okay. In the meantime, we will take your feedback one more time. You can put in the same chat that we added right over there. You can put in the same chat, and then we will start once again. Oh, some people have directly posted in the group only. Nice. Okay, so I'm giving the link, and you post your feedback for the session in this particular chat, and we will meet in 5 minutes at 6:25 p.m. Okay. All right. In the meantime, I would love to see your feedback for the session over here. All right, just getting started. Okay, okay, 1 second. Okay, cool. So I guess we are good to go. So are we going to get a written PDF of all this? Not exactly a written PDF, but you know what? You will get the replay, and you can use the replay to get a written PDF. You want to know how? Okay. This is also one more resource that we have already mentioned for you, by the way. And like I said, there are going to be multiple resources that we will keep on sharing with you over a period of these 2 days. Let me add this one more very quickly. So, very quickly, let's have a look at this. This is the AI Google Notebook LM. And what you can do is you can put long PDFs or long YouTube videos into the Google Notebook LM, and it will convert it into a summarized PDF or whatever. So once you get this replay, you can convert this into a long PDF and you can get the full summary out of it. Clear? So again, people, there is so much that is happening right now in the AI world, and so much, which is already there. We just need to be aware. Yogita is asking how to install Razorpay button on the page if it is already not there. Okay, Yogita, आपको एक काम करना है. FlexiFunnels का knowledge base is available on the internet. Okay, just this link help.flexifunnels.com, or you can just type to Google FlexiFunnels knowledge base. You will find the knowledge base link. Okay, very simple. Next thing is search for Razorpay. Every single requirement that you have, we have already created articles for it. How to connect Razorpay account with FlexiFunnels. And for every single requirement of yours, we have put step-by-step instructions with screenshots. Got it? So this is how you will be able to create and connect Razorpay with FlexiFunnels. And once you have done that, you'll go back to the knowledge base. How to create a product in FlexiFunnels. And this is how you can create a product and connect the product, and with Razorpay integration and everything, you will be able to launch your products. Clear? So with respect to FlexiFunnels, we have a detailed knowledge base. We have a detailed tutorial videos for everything. So you will never be finding for things. We have already created videos and screenshots, articles for everything. Okay. All right, people. Very quickly, let me know if the session has been useful overall. You can use UPI QR code. Every single payment gateway gives you that option. Okay, people. So very quickly, this was day number 1 of the AI marketing workshop. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be asking Shivam to share some of the latest ads insights with you. Plus, I'm gonna cover a few copywriting principles, because see, we have taught the AI to do the copywriting for you and do the sales page and webinar page copy for you and everything. But it is definitely not right that you are fully dependent on AI to do the work for you. Because if you're fully dependent, then you will miss out on the actual conversions, right? So it's very important that you know the valuable principles of copywriting. So I'm going to share some of those things with you tomorrow. Some of the ways to make funnel profitable, that is something that we will be sharing with you tomorrow. And randomly we'll be picking some of the landing pages, some of the funnel pages that you people have created already. And right in front of you, we'll do a quick value check of all those pages and share with you how you can improve the conversions of some of those pages. Maybe we'll pick 2 or 3 pages randomly, and I will share that how you can improve the conversions of some of those pages, right? You have already learned the whole exercise of setting up a business, setting up a product, connecting it with the product gateway, payment gateway, everything, and setting it up, the whole thing on automation, the marketing side of it. You have got to understand all of these things automatically already, right? And now what you do to optimize with respect to your sales, maybe some of the company's operations also. I'm going to set up all those, share some of those things also with you so that you can learn some of the company's operational side of the things as well. So this is going to be the agenda for day number 2, along with some more AI implementation that we are going to show you tomorrow. So this is going to be the agenda for day number 2. Ye clear hai sabko? Type 2 in the chat box. Is this clear to everybody? Type 2. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, okay, so for the next 30 minutes or something, for now, we have created a very special year end opportunity on FlexiFunnels, which is a special webinar, special opportunity that we have created. Okay. So, right now, I'm going to share with you the details of the year end special opportunity on FlexiFunnels, because ultimately, we can cover a lot. You can learn a lot. But at the end of the day, without the actual tools, without the actual resources, there is nothing that can be done. How many of you are looking for a year-end special opportunity on FlexiFunnels? Let me know. Type yes. All right. I'm gonna share that with you very quickly. All right. So very quickly, what are all the deliverables that we have planned for you with respect to launching your online business with the help of FlexiFunnels, and with the overall support and with the overall resources that we have created for you, using which there are thousands and thousands of success stories already. And all of these AI marketing agents, AI funnel builder, every single thing, along with all of my detailed programs, courses, customer support, everything you will be getting. Okay. The whole point is, those of you who are ready and excited to start a new 2.0 chapter of your life, the one in which you take steps towards your financial independence, time freedom, and location freedom, and that allows you to have the time and money to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and with whomsoever you want. Right. So we have created an exclusive FlexiPreneurs year-end special opportunity. That is what is I'm gonna show you right now. You will get access to funnel growth system, जो एक system हमने पूरा का पूरा ready करा है. And when you become a part today, you will get a 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So, very simply, if you are not happy with the system, in any case, for the next 30 days, you can keep on trying, keep on implementing, use the page builder, use the funnel builder, use marketing agents, whatever it is. And if you're not happy or satisfied, you can take your money back 30 days, no questions asked. Right? You will get access to the funnel builder, which is the number one funnel builder, FlexiFunnels, using which you can create your funnels, marketing agents, domain, hosting, reporting, courses, hosting your courses, checkout pages, analytics, everything in one single place. So what all things you will be getting right now? Number one, FlexiFunnels ka 1 year ka premium access, using which you can create 200 funnels, 300 pages, 5 lakh visitors per month, 50,000 course members, and more with the help of one single FlexiFunnels premium account. Plus, we'll give you 700 plus ready to use high converting page templates. Whether it is your webinar page templates, ebook page, thank you page, course page, upsell page, replay page, whatever templates you need, you will be getting all those templates. Third is, you will be getting A to Z funnel masterclass. Because see, today I shared with you a few ways to do and launch your funnels. But honestly, there are many more detailed insights, there are many more detailed concepts which can be implemented, and using which your funnels can become a lot more profitable. And I have covered all of these in these sessions, in these trainings, like how to make a webinar funnel actually profitable, a list building funnel, a sales funnel, a book funnel, whatever it is. So all those detailed trainings have been covered. And honestly, I guess this is the best masterpiece of my life that I have created, these funnels training. Because once you understand how to create funnels in the right way, you can impact any business on the planet. It does not matter, and the impact is so quick. For example, this person whom I was helping, from $50,000 to $90,000 in just 2 days. The impact is so quick when you learn the funnels and you learn how to create the funnels in the right way, right? Next thing is FlexiFunnels ka AI funnel building agent. You type a line and your pages get built, so that you will get access to FlexiFunnels ka AI marketing agents, that is gonna create your ad copy, video ad script, ad hooks. So you never need to learn marketing at all. We have taught marketing to it already. It is gonna do the job for you, right? Next thing is immediate traffic secrets. We have taught the trainings on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and there are multiple more ways to get customers, to bring customers. So all those trainings we have covered over here. Next thing is 8-figure per month course launch secrets. How do you launch a course that actually becomes profitable? So there are like multiple modules over here with respect to your course launch, like how to do the marketing of it, sales of it, scaling strategies, idea, like how do you generate a good idea. So all of these things have been covered. If you want to launch your freelancing business or an agency business, let's suppose you don't have your own business, but you want to work with the clients and charge them for website building, funnel building. So how do you launch agency? How do you get clients? All of that has been covered right over here. Next thing is, how do you launch your faceless products and sell them online? So that training has been covered. Next thing is how you can do affiliate marketing. Maybe you don't want to create your products. You don't want to give customer support. You just simply want to sell some other people product. And when the product sell, you get commission. You never have to create a product. You never have to give support to that product. You just simply sell some other product. That's it, right? So how do you do that affiliate marketing? Similarly, how do you, so for all of this, when you are implementing all of this, we give you customer support. We have the best customer support in India. You get 3 minutes live chat support. You get knowledge based videos, articles. You get weekly live Q&A sessions. And we have a big Facebook community also, in which we have more than 118,000 plus members. So you will discuss and, mastermind with all the members right over there. Best thing is, we have the highest number of 7, 8, and 9-figure success stories, more than 3,500 plus success stories. And this is everything that you get access to. FlexiFunnels 1 year premium access, 700 plus A to use high converting page templates, A to Z funnel masterclass, AI funnel building agent, AI marketing agent, immediate traffic secrets, 8-figure per month course launch secret, agency training, client getting training, faceless product creation masterclass, affiliate marketing training, best customer support in India, winning FlexiFunnels community, and timeline nomination. You get access to all of these things, right? All of these things sold together, like, separately, the total value is over $15,170. And the value that you can make out of this is actually much more, right? But today we are going to give it to you for a far, far, far more special price. Very, very special price, which is not going to be this. It's going to be very, 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 very discounted. But you tell me, people, all of you sitting over here, even if we give this to you at this price, $15,170, how many of you agree that this price is totally justified? Let me know. Type yes. We are going to give it to you for a very, very, very discounted pricing. But how many of you feel that this is totally justified, even if we were charging this amount for this whole thing? If we think about it in this way, this is the same amount that you pay to colleges. अगर आप बीटेक करने जाते हैं, around 8-10 lakh rupees, 12 lakh rupees, you pay to colleges also. And you spend 4 years over there, right? And you never learn how to build a business. You never get the tools how to build a business, right? Anyways, how much price? See, we have thousands of FlexiFunnels members who have made 6 figures. We have hundreds who have made 7, 8, and 9 figures. So price tag of $5,000 is something which is absolutely, justified. And there are so many famous gurus who actually charge more and they give much less value, which is a reality you have seen in the market. The truth is, the public launch of this whole system is done at $1997. Publicly, whenever it's sold at $1997. But since we are running a special webinar, special year-end special opportunity, that is why it is going to be available for $997 for all the yearly members and for all the special participants. But as a webinar special opportunity, you will be getting it for $697 only for the webinar special members. And those of you who are going to take access in the next 1 hour, you will be getting it for just $447. So what we have done is we have taken off the price of all the programs. All the programs, we are buying it for you. You don't have to pay for anything, and you are getting the full access to the full system, including the programs, including the system, including the resources, including the support, everything. If we just think about it, just the premium plan of FlexiFunnels, it's sold at $697, and professional plan is sold at $447. Today, we are going to give you the premium plan worth $697 included in your $447 pricing, and along with that, access to all the premium programs that we have access to. I'm going to give you the link right over here. Plus, as a year-end special bonus, we have also planned for you a lot of special bonuses. I'm going to share them with you in the next 10 minutes. In between, if anybody has any questions, any doubts, any queries, you can type your contact number and our senior mentoring team can get in touch with you and they can answer any question that you have, right? So you will be getting access to the premium plan. You have a 100% money back guarantee available, whether it is within 30 minutes, you want that, hey, this system is not for me, you want to take your money back, or whether it is 30 days. You play around, work with your funnels, create your funnels. Even if you come back to us on the 29th day or the 38th day, that, hey, this is something which is not working for me, you can take your money back. No problem. You will click on this link. All right. When you click on this link, on the next page, you will find the option to put your name, email ID, phone number. And when you click on complete order, on the next page, you can do the payment with the help of debit card, credit card, EMI, wallet, net banking, UPI, whatever it is, whatever payment option you want to select, you can select. In the Indian currency, it is 36,999. Okay, 36,999, including GST. Okay, आपके किसी के भी कोई भी questions है, you can share your contact number in the chat box and our senior mentoring team can answer any question that you have. Whatever question it is, whether regarding payment or assistance or anything, right? Yes, Shivani, it is going to be. And like I said, Shivani, even these questions, you can share your contact number. Our senior mentoring team can guide you, right? जैसे अभी शिवानी ने यहाँ पे पूछा कि as a fresher, is this going to be helpful for me? Shivani, you were able to understand all the concepts that were covered over here, right? Every single person who starts, they start as a fresher only. Even at some point of time, even I started as a fresher. Every single customer, they started as a fresher. Most important thing is to start. And only then you do not remain a fresher. If you do not start, you remain a fresher forever, right? So how quickly you start, that defines how quickly you are going to get the results, right? So Vijay, congratulations to you. Jawahar Shah, you can share your contact number, right? And one second. Rajat, you can share your contact number. Our team will guide you, right? And Kumar, Kumar Shubham, we have multiple such examples. You can share. See, any queries. Jaise Kumar Shubham is asking how a teacher or coach, they launched their coaching business. By the way, in today's session also, I showed multiple such case studies. At the same time, you can share your contact number. Our senior team can actually show you the whole thing, right? Whatever or wherever you are stuck at. Can we sell the SaaS product using your funnel? Amir, we are selling a SaaS product only. So, I mean, what else is left to be answering? We are already doing it, right? Jatin is saying, I don't have a product yet. It does not matter. You can launch your freelancing business. You can launch your agency business. You can launch your affiliate marketing business. There's so much that can be done. You can launch your faceless digital product that you learned today. There's so much that can be done, right? Jatin, clear? And if you go with EMI, by the way, we have the EMI option also. So with EMI, your investment is hardly 1794 rupees a month. That's it. So if you go with the EMI plan, you will only pay 1794 rupees today and you will get access to the whole system, right? Again, if you have any doubts, you can share your contact number. Our team can guide you. With EMI, your investment will be 59 rupees per day. That's it. So think about it. I mean, if you ever go out in a market, even if you will go out today, right now, for 50 rupees, 100 rupees is something that anytime we always spend. We don't even care about it. What we have done is, for people who are getting started for the very first time, we have made it super affordable for everybody, that with such a minor investment, you can become a part that anybody can afford, right? Uh, One second. Ravinder, no problem. We'll be sharing. We'll be sharing. No problem. Anybody, you have any doubts, you can share your contact number. Plus, we have the tie-up with Bajaj Finance. So, without having a debit card or a credit card, also, you will be able to become a part of the whole system. The bad news is that this special price is not going to be available, and these special bonuses are not going to be available. This is only for the fast action takers, right? Good, Sudham. I can see multiple members who are already a part. So this is everything that you are getting. FlexiFunnels का 1 year का premium access, 700 plus A to use high converting page templates, A to Z funnel masterclass, Flexi AI funnel building agent, Flexi AI marketing agent, immediate traffic secret, 8-figure per month course launch secret, agency training, faceless product creation, affiliate marketing masterclass, best customer support in India, affiliate marketing masterclass, winning flexible community, and timeline domination. Mithilesh Sahu, you can go with EMI. Yes, you can share your contact number. Team can guide you. Same is the case with Pooja Sharma. Team can guide you for that. You will click on this link. On the next page, you will find the EMI option. And we have even more options. Just in case you will not find your suitable payment option, we will be sharing the other options for you. Nalin, no problem. You can share your contact number along with the UK uh, country code, and our team can share with you the link on WhatsApp, right? And Amir, all of the training has been given already. It does not matter whether you have a SaaS product or whatever kind of product. At the end of the day, people are paying for the outcome. Now, whether to receive that outcome, they are getting a SaaS product or something else, that does not matter at all, right? Okay. Along with that, we have created an exclusive year-end special opportunity, which is something which is going to be given to the first 100 people becoming a part right now. Okay. So this is something that we are doing. Along with that, there is something that is going to be done only for the first 100 buyers right now. Okay. So I'm just going to share with you right now. And I can see, by the way, there are almost 21 people who have already secured their seat. So what that means is 79 seats are remaining for the first 100 buyers. Okay. So for the first 100 buyers, we'll be giving you, instead of 200 funnels, unlimited funnels. Instead of 300 pages, unlimited pages. Instead of 5 lakh visitors per month, unlimited visitors per month. Instead of 50,000 course members, you will be getting unlimited course members and unlimited products. So the total value is going to be priceless, because we have removed all the limitations of the entire system for the first year completely. We have made it unlimited, right? So this is something that we have done as a year-end special opportunity. The link is right over here. And but this is something for which we have our own costing associated with it. I mean, giving something to you unlimited, we are running this as a software, so it has a server costing. So we cannot do it for everybody, but yes, for the first action takers, we can do it for you. Saurabh Haldar, you can connect 9. Okay, I hope that is clear. But I don't have any business to promote. Pooja, there are so many businesses out there. They are like, if I just talk about our country, there are 6 crore 44 lakh registered businesses in our country. Out of that, more than 5 crores are not yet online. There's so much of opportunity on a daily basis. See, again, why do we live in a very limited world? Let's have a look at this. Who is DNS? Let's have a look at this. जैसे for example आपने बोला कि आपके पास अभी खुद का कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है. Let's have a look at. Let me show you some real data right now, right? Let's see this. Daily basis, more than 70,000 plus domains are getting registered. Why they are registering their domain on a daily basis? Because they want to take their business online. How many clients do you need to run a 6-figure business? You hardly need one client, one, to run a 6-figure business. Daily 70,000 domains are getting registered. The problem is not that you are a newbie. The problem is not that you are a fresher or anything. The problem is that you don't have the required skills right now. When you learn these skills, When you go through the trainings, for example, the way you went through the trainings today, you will know exactly how to run this business. You will know exactly how to make it profitable for you, right? Yeah, you can do the payment on this given link. I've given you the link. On the next page, you will find the EMI option, or just share your contact number, and our team will guide you for the EMI option. There are multiple EMI options which are available, right? So I've shared the link, and my team has told me that out of the first 100, 36 seats are already taken, right? So 36 seats are taken. Um, yeah, Naeem, you can. No problem. Naeem, 1 second. Manoj Nahar, it works for the network marketing business. Ultimately, see, any business who has to and who wants to get in front of the customers, who wants to create systems using which they can generate leads and sales, FlexiFunnels will work for all of them. For network marketing, also, ultimately, you want to generate leads so that you can show them the plan. And maybe you can show the plan maybe on a webinar, one to many. Why to show one to one plan? And that too, why to show plan by going to somebody's house and then to somebody's house? You can set up a webinar, show the plan to so many people at the same time. Like there's so many ways to scale, right? Okay. Uh Jatin, all of the clarity our team will be able to give you, right? Unable to pay on EMI, Pooja, our team can guide you, no problem. Prince, yes, we already have it, right? 1 second. Along with that, we have added some more additional benefits for the people who are becoming a part right now. AI marketing engine. Uh, 1 second. Are you done with the payment? So in that case, we can see Parag, your payment has received. Dr. Jawahar, the recent payment. Pooja, I cannot see your payment. I cannot see you in the first 100 right now. I have camera fear, so I can't take webinar. No problem. No problem. Just directly sell the registration or your free trial of your product. Maybe because you are into SaaS, directly sell via ads, directly via landing page. Maybe directly just book a demo. Directly after booking a demo, just explain your product. Maybe just create a demo video, explain your product. There's so many ways that can be done, right? Okay, Subhash, no problem. We will show you. Manoj Nahak, EMI plans. Okay, 1 second. You will go to this page. There are some more bonuses, people, by the way. I want to show you some more bonuses. But in the meantime, let me show you some of the EMI plans. You will put your details. For example, your name, email ID, and phone number. You will be putting it over here. Okay, something like this. And then you put your contact number. And once you do it, you click on complete order. And you will find multiple EMI options like Apple Pay, card, and all the payment options are there. Along with EMI and cardless EMI options are also there. Also, if your preferred payment gateway is not here, sorry, your preferred debit card or credit card is not here, then also you can do it. So you can select. 1 second, I will just show you. You will put your contact details, and instead of cash free, you can select Razor Pay, and you will find some more payment options. And even if you don't find your payment option, even within this, we have some more payment options. So again, you can share your contact number, and our team can guide you on both of these, right? No, Sumit, that's two very separate things, right? Sumit, share on, right? Already. Saurabh, you need to have for a webinar. Yes. Samira, what about EMI? Sorry, come again. What do you mean by EMI business? 1 second. Dhananjay, can you please have a look at the message of Rajat Kallaji? Let's just quickly look at the message of Rajat Kallaji. Dhananjay will just have a look at it, okay? Also, as a part of the special webinar bonus, will give you unlimited usage access to the AI marketing engine. So usually the number of words which are given to all the users, I will take you to the pricing page also. Usually, every single user who gets access to the marketing engine, they get 10,000 words per month. But over here, we'll be giving you unlimited access as a part of the webinar special opportunity. So even if somebody purchases the premium plan for 55,000 rupees, they only get 10,000 words per month. And right over here, you'll be getting uh, unlimited words. That's something that we are adding as a special bonus. This is a typo over here. So you will be getting unlimited this thing. Along with that, what we have also decided is we are going to do a special AI implementation workshop for you. People, by the way, 43 seats are gone. And right now we are left with 57 seats in the first 100. Okay, I've given you the link. If you have any doubts, any question, any query, you can share your contact number and our senior mentoring team can get in touch with you. Right? Um, Pooja, are you in touch with somebody from the team? Okay. Along with that, what we have also planned is we are going to do a live AI implementation workshop in which a lot of things that we were discussing over here, a lot of things that we are working on over here, we'll do one more session, which is going to be just the AI implementation. Because once you have access to FlexiPanels, all the business trainings, everything you will get access to. But AI implementation is something that we are going to do separate for all of you. And we will just do the live implementation for all the AI related things. So this is something that we are going to add for you. Along with that, Flexi Viral. So we have added this special bonus for all of you. So people, when you signed up for the AI marketing workshop, did you see that you got your unique referral link? You would have received your unique referral link, right? Using which you were able to invite other people to this webinar, to this workshop. And similarly, you can run your own viral campaigns with the help of this FlexiViral. So this is a separate software. This is a separate software and which is a paid software. But right now, we are going to give you free access to it to generate up to 5,000 leads per month for absolutely free. Imagine this thing to generate 5,000 leads. If you were spending money on Facebook, you would be spending at least 25,000 rupees a month to generate 5,000 leads extra per month for free using viral referral marketing. You know, the unique referral link. So we have given that functionality to you also included. So you will be able to use that. Plus, Lead Navigator. This is something that I'm going to show you tomorrow. But Lead Navigator is something that is going to help you in finding the freelancing clients. So, finding the freelancing clients and converting the freelancing clients. So, all of these with the extra AI credits we are going to add for you. Again, this is one more AI special uh, opportunity that we have created for you. Plus, I have this detailed course teaching sales. For example, today I was teaching you AI marketing. I did this sales workshop, which was a 2 day sales workshop, in which for 2 days, for example, see, you are the real example of this, right? For example, today, whole day, I taught you AI marketing. So, in this workshop, for 2 days, continuous, I was teaching sales. So, you will get access to the sales intensive workshop and you will be able to learn sales in detail. Now, whatever product you have to sell, in any given point of time, whenever you want to sell it, you will be able to sell anything and everything. So it will give you access to the whole training. You will get full 3 months access to it, right? Again, all of this is a paid program and a paid opportunity, but you will be getting access to it, right? Samira, our team will get in touch with you. Ronak, Ronak, for setting up the appointments and all, you will be able to set up the AI agent like I showed you today. For example, my Instagram DM agent is doing the same job for me. But what you will be able to do is once the call booking is supposed to be done, so it is going to be embedded somewhere, right? So that's where FlexiFunnels will come into the picture and running the whole show for you as a funnel, right? So that's where it will come into the picture. Um, ये सब बनाए हुए डेमो yeah, Dayanand, you will get the access to all of this, no problem, right? Pooja, you can share your number. That is how the team can get in touch with you. Who's for somebody who wants to start their AI automation and AI chatbot, something like that. Yeah, definitely. So you can launch your AI automation and AI chatbot agency, and to set up your funnels, you will be able to use FlexiFunnels, and you can provide as a see. This is exactly no-brainer offering is all about, right? So to your clients, you can offer them funnels, chatbots, AI automation, everything as a one single package. So their whole business gets automated, their whole business goes online, and you are able to give them the full service end to end in one single place. And to even mention about your service, your own service page, you will be able to set it up with the help of your FlexiManus account. So you will be able to do that. Plus, in order to learn the whole marketing and business side of it, you will be able to learn using the programs that we are giving you, right? Yeah, then and good. Chaudhary Naising, let us know what is your question. And people, in the first 100, we have 45 seats which are left in the first 100. Right? This is a link. आपके किसी के भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, डाउट्स हैं, क्वेरीज हैं, you can ask your question by putting your contact number in the chat box. जो माई सीनियर मेंटोरिंग टीम है वो आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर कर देगी, राइट? एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस स्पेशल एक्सेस, see, we have given you multiple, for example, unlimited whole platform access. This is something that we cannot give to everybody simply because we have a server costing. Unlimited AI marketing words for the first year. Again, we cannot give it to everybody. Again, everything has a cost attached to it, right? FlexiViral, a separate software, we have included it to for you. But again, for the quick action takers, we are not going to be giving it to anybody after the opportunity is over. And similarly, access to the AI lead finder, which is your AI finder for finding clients and to convert the clients for both the ways. So it is going to be helping you for both the sides, right? Which type of program you will provide? We have trainings, recorded courses, right? So you will get access to all of that. Plus the weekly live Q&A sessions are live and the live chat support is of course live, right? Manoj Nahak ji, let us know what are other questions that you have. You have shared your number, not, I don't know. Praveen Dank ji, our team will get in touch with you. Plus the sales intensive access you will be getting right now. Plus, along with that, as a part of the special bonus, we will also give you 30 plus custom utility GPTs. So just like we showed you a few GPTs today, we'll be creating and sharing 30 plus utility GPTs, which will be solving multiple purposes for you, right? Uh, Siddharth Puri, you can share your number. Like I said, anybody who has any question, you can share your contact number. Our team will guide you, right? Shashank, you have access to everything, right? Plus, as a year-end special opportunity, we are giving you 2 months of extra for free. Okay, we are giving you 2 months of extra for free. So instead of 12-month access, you will get a 14-month access. So because we understand that, hey, you know what? Initially, when you are getting started, you need an extra learning curve. You need an extra training period. You need an extra time to understand the concepts. So instead of 12-month access, we will give you 14-month access. So we have made 2 months free for you. Again, it has a server costing for us, but we have done it for you so that you can get started, right? Akansha, this is the link. This is the same link. I can see Karan, Amita, Sharad, Kishore, Shivani, all of your payments have been received. Okay. Sarthak, this is the link. You need to do the payment with this link only. Yeah. So we have done the special setup on this link for this particular timing, right? What will be the recurring payments? This same thing yearly. The same thing is going to be happening on a yearly basis, right? Satvik will be sharing that. And Tanbir, we are adding. We are not. We have not yet added for this particular workshop. Only we created for the first time, and all of this is going to be added inside the FlexiPanels dashboard only, right? Okay. Jyoti team will be getting in touch with you. So I want demo website because I have seen. I'm done. 1 second, Dayanand, you have the templates already. Just launch the templates, publish it, and show it to your client. Right? No, Sarthak, this is a webinar special opportunity that is available right now, right? And in the first, this thing, 100, right now, we have last 35 seats, right? I've given the link right over here. Mukul, we have already added it into your account. It's already done. Okay. Tajamul, can you reach out to our support team? We can get it done for you very quickly. And is there proper guidance from A to Z? I mean, see, I can answer this question for you, but I guess a better answer can be given by our testimonials page, wherein we have 3,500 plus documented success stories, right? So I've given you the link of our testimonials page. They are like lines say success stories, people who have got started from complete zero and they have been able to go through the systems, they have been able to go through the trainings, everything. I mean, see, we have created a system in which we become successful when you become successful, because only then you are going to become a recurring customer of FlexiFunnels. And that is the exact reason why for the first time, when somebody becomes a part, right now, we are running this special opportunity that we are giving you the premium account at the price of professional account, because we want to help you get your journey started very, very quickly, very, very easily, and making it super affordable. We have even added our courses for absolutely free. Why? So that you can get the results. Because when you are getting the results, then it is but natural that you will be more than happy to pay the subscription amount in the coming years, in the next year, in the next year, in the next year, because you are getting those results. So for us, it is very much a no-brainer for us that we give you and provide you with all the support that is needed. Have a look at this. So Mitsa ji, good evening everyone. Super duper excited. I have achieved the 1 crore rupees Flexible Achievers Award. शी हैज रिटन हर होल जर्नी ओवर हियर. शायद अब सोचती हूँ वो सिचुएशन ही ऐसी इसलिए आ रखी थी भगवान जी को मेरी ऑन्टरप्रेन्योर वाली जर्नी मुझसे एक्सप्लोर करवानी थी. डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में मैंने फाइनली 10x ग्रोथ. आई मीन लेट्स लुक एट द फुल मैसेज. मेरे बहुत सारे न्यूबीज के पर्सनल मैसेज आते हैं, शुरुआत कैसे करनी है, सबको यही बताना है कि मैंने भी एज ए न्यूबी फ्लेक्सीफाइज में एनरोल करके 1 करोड़ सीरीज देखी और वहां से मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ. ट्रस्ट मी, फर्स्ट 4 मंथ में सब कुछ मैंने ही अकेले ने पीपीटी बनाया, वेबिनार सेटअप करना, एड्स लगाना, सब कुछ करा. And you can see a lot of these testimonials right on this page. I'm giving you this page. So the answer is that yes, we have created the system already, which has access to all the trainings, which has access to the beginner friendly system. If you are going to spend the time to learn through the trainings, to learn through the system, then you will be able to get the results that you want to create. For example, you will go inside the timeline domination program. Okay. And we have created the step-by-step journey for everybody right over here. You will click on the timeline domination program. First of all, you will go through that. And 1 second, let me just refresh. Just in case I'm logged out. Yeah, I'm logged out. 1 second. मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. And people, those of you who have any question, you can share your contact number. Our team can guide you. Right? 501347. 1 second. Okay, let me show you the timeline domination program access. You will get access to this timeline domination. And within this, you will see we have given you all the roadmap. For example, shortest path to success. You will start your journey with this, right? You will be going through these trainings, onboarding session, mindset training. Freelancers will go through this. Course creator will go through this. So we have created a proper shortest path. Similarly, we have created the 15 days first sale challenge, which we are also going to do live in a very short time. I will just share with you. So you will also become a part of this. And then within this training, we have covered what exact sequence you need to watch the trainings. And once you start doing that, automatically the whole path will be fully clear without waiting to watch the full trainings. The most important thing is that you launch and then you continuously keep on optimizing. So it will keep on happening, right? So all these things will keep on happening. Satvik, the referral prices and all will be done in the Facebook group only, right? Shubhi, Lata, FlexiFunnels is a SaaS only. This is exactly what it is, right? And Sanjay, I can see आपका payment आ गया था. Congratulations to you. And you can check आपके email पे access आ गया होगा. Like those of you who have done the payments, you would have received the access in your email, right? And right now in the first 100, we have 29 seats left, which are left in the first 100. Okay. Can you say, sorry, what do you mean? Loan services, B2B. Then you can create easily with the help of AI, whatever you want to create. Right? What is the sequence? Sequence you will find inside this shortest path to success. So once you log in, once you go through the trainings, you will go through this particular training in the first half, like the shortest path to success. And from there, you will be able to get the exact sequence. And the sequence is already covered right over here. Like in what sequence you need to go through the trainings. That is what we mean. And more importantly, you don't need to wait for all the trainings. You just launch. That is how you actually get started. Just launch. And then all the things can keep on happening. So we are also going to give you 2-month yearly free access, right? That is first thing. We will also give you the free ticket, gold ticket of our Funnel Growth Summit event. So we do this big event every single year, wherein 3,000 plus people attend this event every single year. And we'll give you gold ticket access worth 12,000 rupees absolutely free, right? So all of you are becoming a part right now. Can you say free referral process to access? Free referral process, I told you, right? So free referral process was this app that we have built. So using that, you can create your referral marketing campaigns for any business. Any business. For example, let's suppose you have a webinar coming up and you are into parenting, just an example, and you can give all of your attendees the unique referral link that, hey, you know what, you get one more person signed up for this webinar, and I will give you this parenting guide for absolutely free. It can be anything, right? No, Gopal Krishna, it's going to be the same. And of course, the AI marketing part of it is going to be different. The learnings that we are going to be covering today, so and tomorrow, and the things that we covered today. Gopal Krishna, were you there in the session today? Let me know from the beginning. So I'm having currently Rohit. You can share your contact number, and our team can help you with that. ठीक है? Ishaq is asking digital products के लिए FlexiFunds कैसा रहेगा? A lot of our customers are doing that exact same thing. You have already seen the testimonials. People like with for digital products, what you want is a sales page which loads very quickly. FlexiFunds pages, they load in less than 1 second. Whenever somebody purchases, by the way, one click integration of the payment gateways, super optimized checkout pages. The checkout pages have to be optimized, not the basic checkout pages of Razorpay, InstaMojo, and Cashfree. They give you very basic checkout pages. You can create good looking checkout pages with the help of FlexiFunnels that gives you authority, and you can connect multiple payment gateways. See, just like I showed you right now, for the FlexiFunnels checkout page, I have multiple payment gateways over here. Cashfree is here, Razorpay is here. I can even put InstaMojo over here. So that gives my customers multiple options. Similarly, as you can see, we have put a Facebook pixel over here, right? So with the help of the Facebook pixel, if somebody, let's suppose, does not convert, we can show them the remarketing ads. So with FlexiFunnels checkout page, you have multiple advanced options. You can even put coupon. We have not put a coupon over here, but you can. You can put bump offers. You can put testimonials. You can put screenshots, whatever you want. So, multiple optimized checkout pages you can create, optimized sales pages you can create. This is exactly what you need to scale your digital product business, right? And then when somebody purchases your digital product, the access will be delivered automatically, right? Shashikant, just email to us and we will give it the access to you. Okay. And good. If I want to start content about women empowerment, that's totally up to you. Whatever you want to start, right? Again, see, you decide what you are good at. I cannot decide it for you, right? If Sachin Tendulkar would have come to me that, hey, what should I do? How do I know he is a legend in cricket? I can never say that, right? You decide what you can be good at, and you experiment, you play around, right? Most important thing is to experiment. That's what I can always tell. People do work with a lot of pressure. My fundamental is that experiment, play around, have fun. Building a business is very easy. Just be consistent. See, anything that you do consistently, you become good at it. Similarly is the case with building a business. It becomes very simple. Just be in the learning mode, be in the upgrading mode. You will get access to the whole system, which is the super most affordable system available on the internet. Number one, you will get access to the whole program, which has covered every single detail about launching a business, getting sales, getting scaling your products and services. Every single detail you have got. So you have the full access. Now just go ahead and experiment with it. In today's session also, I shared with you that you never know, just by changing a headline, you become profitable. Just by changing one ad creative, you can become profitable. Just by changing even a single point, you can start getting results. So it will all get down to the multiple experiments that you will keep on doing. And most importantly, earlier you had to learn a lot of things. Now we have given you AI based assets that we have created, the marketing engine that we have created, the AI funnel building that we have created. We have got the speed of doing the work very, very fast for you, right? And 1 second, Jatin, we have received your payment. And Nalin, we have received your payment. Congratulations to both of you. You can check in your email, the access would have been received, right? You can check. You teach us how to create this type of content. See, within the training, I have covered a lot of these aspects already. And once again, let's understand one thing. A lot of these things that we have already provided has already created these success stories which are documented, 3,500 plus documented success stories. The non-documented success stories are going to be much higher, right? Because not everybody is interested in putting a success story with their name, with their face, right? So think about it. You are not becoming a part of a system in which you need to do trial and error. You're becoming a part of a proven system. Whether you are a 20-year-old, these are the people who have got the results. Whether you are a 50-year-old, these are the people who have got the results. The main thing is your ability to take the initiative. That is what separates you from the rest of people. Because when you take the initiative, you get the results. People who never take the initiative, they never get the results. That is what is the most important thing, right? Uh, where Funnel Growth Summit is conducted. Typically, we conduct it in Delhi, mostly. Shiv Kumar, you can connect up to 9 domains. So think about it. In a single FlexiFunnels account, you are able to connect 9 domains. Your investment today is, let's suppose, 31,000 plus GST, right? And if I divide it in 14 months, because you are getting access for 14 months, your investment today is almost 2,500 rupees per month. And since you are getting 9 domains, so for 9 domains, your investment is 270 rupees per month per domain. That's it. With super fast hosting, with all the conversion optimization tools, with the marketing engine, with the funnel builder, with everything. It cannot get far more affordable than this. Like, this is like, I don't know. It's already, we should not even call it affordable or cheapest. It's already way too cheapest, right? So Shashank will be sharing all of the resources I shared, right? Okay. 1 second. Baki, in general, in detail, we don't cover a lot of content creation. We cover a lot of ads creation because ultimately that's how we are able to set up the business. By the way, uh, 1 second, I'm getting the message from the team. In the first 100, we have 15 more seats in the first 100. I've given you the link, right? So please. So we can host our website also. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. 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 And by the way, for all the people who are becoming a part, we will also make you the affiliate of FlexiFunnels. Okay. So automatically you will become the automatic affiliate. And people, those of you who have any questions, those of you who have any doubts, any queries, you can share your contact number. Our senior mentoring team can get in touch with you and they can answer any questions that you have. Right. Bijoy Deb, you can share your contact number. Our team can guide you. Okay. And I mean, you can create email because domain, so you will be purchasing somewhere. You will purchase the domain on GoDaddy, Namecheap, whatever register that you have. You can purchase the domain on any place. To make it work with Flexi, you will connect it with Flexi. That's how it will work, right? Uh, Bijoy, is that clear? Right? Naomi, our team will be getting in touch with you. Okay, perfect. And yes, we'll be making you the automatic affiliate of FlexiFunnels. Uh, I'm not sure, Pooja. What question are you asking? Can you repeat the question? 1 second. Yeah. So we'll make the automatic affiliate of you, with FlexiFunnels, and you will be getting 25% affiliate commission every time you refer a person to FlexiFunnels. So let's say over the period of next 14 months, if you find just 4 people, four, to whom you can recommend FlexiFunnels, per sale you are getting 25% commission, which means your own FlexiFunnels account will become absolutely free. You don't need to do anything, just recommend FlexiFunnels to them. We are already creating the product, we are already supporting the customers, we are already making the product much better on a daily basis. Some of our affiliates, their full-time job is to promote FlexiFunnels. That's it. That's the only thing that they do, right? uh Price, I've given you the link. We have given you the whole system for just 36,999 including GST, right? uh do we need to buy subscriptions? That is up to you, Ramesh. That is totally up to you to advance with your work and everything, right? What are subscription charges from the next year to continue using FlexiOne system? Nisha, that's a good question. So, if you would want to stay in the professional plan, you will be paying for $47. If you want to upgrade to the premium plan, you will be paying $697. Today, we are giving you the premium plan at the price of professional plan as a starting benefit of a year-end special that we are doing right now, right? Okay. 1 second. ओके आज वेबिनार में फेसबुक एड भी ले लीजिए कल के वेबिनार में वी विल कवर अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फेसबुक एड्स आल्सो but most importantly the Facebook ads training are already added to the platform plus every month we do business trainings for all the customers. So Amruta, you are already a part of FlexiPanels. Just last week, last Saturday, just 1 week back, we did the brand new training of Facebook ads. Every month we do a new training, and just last month it was sorry last week only it was done, and all the trainings are already updated inside the dashboard, right? And yes, tomorrow also we'll cover a little bit of it. But again, we need to cover the whole soul business marketing. So it's not going to be full detailed Facebook ads tomorrow, but full detailed Facebook ads is already covered inside the timeline nomination program, right? Okay, so Pooja, your question is कंटेंट कैसे क्रिएट करना है ये सिखाएंगे पूजा नॉट एग्जैक्टली आई एम नॉट एन डिटेल्ड एक्सपर्ट ऑन कंटेंट क्रिएशन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट but there are dedicated experts who can teach you content creation. What I can teach you is how to create ads, how to create funnels, how to set up businesses, and we will give you the tools on how to set up your online business, how to run it on automation. This is the only software that you will find on the planet using which you can automate your entire business operations, and you are also getting the trainings on how to launch your business. Plus we care at heart for the customers, so all the customer support, everything is right over here, right? Just with respect to content, there is not a dedicated section, but yes, here and there I have spoken about it. Okay, so just to be very upfront and very transparent with anybody who is becoming a part, right? Ramjeet Maidi, okay, you have shared your contact number, right? So we'll see. Prince, typically Funnel Growth Summit we conduct in the month of March, but this year we are not conducting in March. Most likely we are gonna conduct it in June something this year, right? Yeah, Gopalji, of course you can. Apart from paying, we'll have to pay for running the ad campaign on social media. Absolutely, you will be paying for the ads, and that is what I have covered today multiple times. That the whole thing. Think people, very, very clear. If you are setting up an offline business, okay, let's suppose you are setting up a shop. To pay the rental for the shop, right? You will pay a rental. Similarly, compare FlexiFunnels to that. However, your costing is, you will never find a shop at a rent for the let's suppose less than 40,000-50,000 rupees a month. What you are paying to FlexiFunnels is 2,500 rupees a month. That's it. That's number one, right? So that is how your shop is created. Now, once your shop is created, are you going to advertise for the shop? Maybe you are going to run paper ads, newspaper ads, TV ads, maybe you are going to run Facebook ads. Similarly, when your online shop is created, you are still going to advertise it. But to run the shop, which runs 24/7, and it can generate more profits than a physical shop. See, a physical shop that you create for 50,000 rupees per month rent and the inventory and setting up the shop, getting the resources, everything will cost you at least 40-50 lakh rupees when you are setting up a physical business, right? Think about it. Any business that you can think of, whether a restaurant or a saloon or a gym or anything, it will minimum cost you 40 to 50 lakh rupees. And it will always have a profit margin, a limitation on the profit margin. Digital businesses, they do not have any kind of profit margin, right? You can sell to anybody, everybody, to entire part of India, to the entire part of the world. And in terms of profitability, like with digital products, it's full profit. That is where I have already always focused upon, right? Hardly any investment in running a business. I can experiment with anything and everything, right? For example, if I'm starting a physical business today, if I've started a saloon, I will have to be a saloon for the next 5 years. If I'm starting a digital product today, I can do SSC coaching today. I can do weight loss tomorrow. I can do something else, pet training tomorrow. I can do anything tomorrow. Does not matter, because all of these are faceless digital products. I don't even have to show my face. Or with my expertise, I can launch my products and I can create one campaign today, one campaign tomorrow, one campaign tomorrow. By spending just 100, 200 rupees, I can test a campaign and I can see which campaign is working, which campaign is not working. For example, in today's session, I told you, right, that one of my ads was generating leads for 70 rupees. Another ad was generating leads for 19 rupees. You can keep on experimenting, even by spending very minor amount. And you will find out the winners. Once you have the winners, you will automatically be able to scale it. Right? So that is how you are able to do the whole exercise repeatedly. And again, you get to the profit side of it. The whole equation is you spend 100 rupees and you learn how to make 500 rupees, how to make 600 rupees. Our customers are doing that same thing over and over and over again. By the way, there are some more bonuses. People, anybody, everybody who have any questions, you can share your contact number. Our senior mentoring team can get in touch with you. We have 12 seats left in the first 100, right? Hosting is included, yes. And we have the fastest hosting. Fastest hosting on the internet. Your pages load in less than 1 second. That is the most important factor that you get included as a part of FlexiFunnels, right? Sangeeta Raji, your payment was received. Congratulations to you. Let me show you something which a lot of people realize until it is very late, right? Have a look at this. This is the real data of that you have got from Amazon. Amazon says 1 second of load lag time would cost Amazon $1.6 billion in sales per year. Why? Because if a website is buffering, people don't open that. And that too, a website like Amazon that people already trust, right? Have a look at this. Google, an extra 0.5 second in load time, it reduces your traffic by 20%. So if people are clicking on your ad, 100 people are clicking on it, and if your page speed is less than, let's say, 0.5 second or every 0.5 second, you lose 20% traffic. So if 100 people have clicked on it, only 80 people will come to your website. The reason why FlexiFunnels customers have been able to get some amazing results, one of the factors is that the page loads very, very quickly. And then we have almost 15 plus conversion optimization softwares, 15 plus conversion optimization features, which are included inside the platform. I will show you something, okay? Let's say if you will go to my webinar registration page. Okay, so this is a webinar registration page of ours. If you will see on this webinar registration page, can you see this? Kamal Uttar Pradesh has just signed up 3 minutes back. Can you see this? Can you see this left-hand side notification? The notification that is coming in the left-hand side. Anil Pawar, Madhya Pradesh has just signed up 4 minutes back. What it is doing on this webinar page of mine, it is creating trust that other people are also buying. Other people are also signing up. So you can also sign up. And this is increasing my conversions. These are minute things that increases your conversions. I told you this thing, right? That your business, setting up and automating a business is just one part of the equation. Optimizing your business is the actual part of the equation. This is where the business optimization happens. This is going to give you more conversions and more ROI out of the money that you are spending on ads. And if you are spending 100, if again, are you making back 200 or 500? That is going to decide your profit, right? So a lot of these things, I don't know whether you are aware of it or not. A lot of these things I sold as separate platforms. I sold as separate softwares. Have a look at this. Use Proof. Use Proof is sold as a separate software with its own pricing. Have a look at this. $79 a month. And that too for a limited number of notifications. After that, you still have to pay for it. Similarly, Proofly. Right? So all of these softwares are different softwares. With FlexiFunnels, what we have done is we have included FlexiProof absolutely free. And similarly, we have included multiple conversion optimization softwares absolutely free inside your subscription. So you never have to pay for at least 15 different separate products that you would have to pay if you are using any platform except FlexiFunnels. You would have to pay for at least 15 different softwares. We have included all of that inside FlexiFunnels. AI marketing engine. It creates marketing copies for you that actually converts. AI website builder. We are the only company which has AI website builder, which creates conversion optimized platforms and pages for you. Flexi affiliate is something coming. Split testing on a single URL. See, how does the conversion optimizes? We have given you this Flexi split testing feature. What it does is, let me tell you what it does. By the way, people, we have 9 more seats in the first 100. Okay. Flexi split testing. And those of you who have any questions, any query, anything, share your contact number. Our senior mentoring team can answer any question right now. Right? This is the time. Otherwise, this opportunity is something which is going. I mean, you will have access. You will still have the access, but without the bonuses. Right? Okay. What does split testing does? Let me just tell you. Split testing is something because of which you can open a single URL, and let's suppose when I am opening the URL, some other content would be visible. And when you are opening the URL, some other content would be visible. I will just show you. So you can run different split tests, and you can see when you are paying money on ads, you can see which page of yours is converting better. And that is how you can optimize your conversions. Let's have a look at this. We had some campaign which was running. 1 second. I'll just show you. Yeah, probably this one. Let's have a look at this. Not today, but this year. I'm not sure whether it is this campaign only, but I will just show you right now. Yeah, let's have a look at this. Can you see this? We were running this split test and we were testing between 4 pages. And can you see this page was converting at 30%, while the other pages were converting at 25% and 24%. And one more page is converting at 29%. Think about it. Think about it. If a page is converting at 25% and another page is converting at 30%, what do you think is the difference? People, let me know in the chat box. What do you think is the difference? If there is one page which is converting at 25% and another page which is converting at 30%, what is the difference? The difference is not 5%. The difference is 20%. That's a 20% jump in your revenue just by using this feature of FlexiFunnels, which is the split testing feature. क्योंकि अगर पहले 100 लोग बाय कर रहे थे, अभी आपके केस में यहाँ पे 120 लोग बाय करेंगे क्योंकि आपका कन्वर्जन रेट बढ़ के 25% से 30% हो चुका है. That is the difference that all these features they bring into. And again, split testing again is sold as a separate software. So what we have done inside FlexiFunnels is we have ensured that our customers don't have to pay for multiple softwares. We give you access to multiple softwares into one thing. A/B split testing for products, and so many different products are there. And these are good platforms. Again, all of these are good platforms. But with Flexi, our goal is to make it a unified platform, all in one platform, so that in one single place you are able to run and manage your entire online business. Sameera, आपका payment आ गया था, I believe. Let me just check. Sameera, I don't know. How did you pay the full amount? What is an organic ad and how is it helpful? What do you mean by organic ad? You can create content and you can put the link in your bio and you can mention that, hey, the link is in bio, something like that. Right? Sameera, are you in touch with somebody from the team? And people, Acha Sameer. Yeah. Sameer, your payment I saw. Your payment was received. I think so. I think I saw it. Yeah, I saw. Yeah. And you would have received the access in your email already, right? And 1 second. Satvik, I mentioned this thing. No, all the resources, everything will be sharing at the end of day 2 along with the replays and everything. I already mentioned this thing, right? And when all of you are getting started, you will be getting 6 complimentary one-on-one success calls, all of you. So while getting started, instead of getting just 3 one-to-one calls, we'll give you 6 one-to-one calls. So you will be able to book a call with our senior team members, and you can talk to them, discuss with them everything that you want to discuss. You will be able to discuss with them. And people, by the way, you can also ask your questions in the chat box. I can look at some of the questions in the chat box. If you want to discuss something with me personally, you can ask it right over here, right? And don't bother. See, this is something that I always tell to everybody, that if you have anytime you have any question, you should always be asking. Because if you ask a question once, there is a saying by Abraham Lincoln, sir, if you ask a question once, you might look like a fool once. But if you never ask a question, you remain a fool forever. Right. So again, don't take it in a different way, but it's a very simple message that always be curious, always be asking questions. If you are stuck with something, if you have an opportunity, just ask the question, right? Even if you feel that this question looks like a very basic question, maybe it is for us, but for you it is not. So ask that question and let us answer it for you, right? But this is all of this is going to be for the first 100 people. And the thing is that inside our system, we have tons and tons and tons of people. Akshay, congratulations to you. Right, this page. No problem. Sarthak, our team will get in touch with you and they will share with you the international payment link. Right. So for Stripe and PayPal, there is a different payment link. So they will share that with you. Uh, Ashwin, this opportunity is something that we are running right now. Ashwin, you can share your contact number. Our team can get in touch with you. Right. And yeah, you can. You can. Nisha is asking, I have a registered domain. Can I use it on FlexiBunnels? Yes, you can. And अगर उसके ऊपर already website बना हुआ है, so you can connect a subdomain with Flexi. I mean, we can guide you. You can go through the trainings. It's a very simple thing. So then, with all the resources, right? Mukesh Chablani ji, I am not sure. Maybe I missed your question. Can you ask it right now in the chat box? Or you can just share your contact number. Our team can guide you. Let us know. Okay. So these are a number of people, that who have been getting started with their journey. Like Pradeep. Hi guys, I'm Pradeep. Today I made 50,000 rupees for my freelancing services using FlexiBunnels. But the truth is, I purchased FlexiBunnels yesterday and made my money back in less than 1 day. So he went to the trainings, approached the clients, got the clients, and got the thing done. Right. Have a look at this, Rakesh. Today I got a new project worth 6,65,000 rupees, and so many people. With that, I joined yesterday and I started my funnel making journey for one of my client in 40,000 rupees. Rupesh, so good news from my end too, around 10 lakh rupees. Alamgir, FlexiFund changed my life from 10,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month. Most welcome, Sanjay. Sanjay is saying, thank you so much for this webinar. I'll be able to launch. Congratulations to you. And good that you have also become a part. So we'll be able to see you inside the system. Most welcome, Nisha. Nisha, you are getting started. Like, how are you paying right now? Are you paying with the debit card, credit card, net banking, wallet, EMI? What exactly are you choosing? How are income money? Uh, Pradeep, share your contact number. Our team can guide you, right? With respect to what you are doing right now. On the basis of that, we can guide you right now. And yes, thank you. Uh, oh, nice, Satvik. That's really good. Okay. And this is Alamgi's FlexiFund changed my life from 10,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month. With that, I joined yesterday, started making funnels. Rupesh, the good news from my end too. By the way, people, my team has told me that we have the last 5 seats in the first 100. So after this, the first 100 opportunity will be gone. The special first 100 bonuses will be gone. We will still have FlexiFunnels. We will still have the special pricing, but the special first 100 bonuses will be gone, right? This is how people have got started and see crazy 10 lakh rupees journey in 15 days. Shubh, 5 crore rupees of revenue. And by the way, to help you with your journey and to fast track with your journey, you will also become a part of 15 days first sale challenge. So the 15 days first sale challenge, the next edition is going to start from 24th of December. And you will become a live member of the 15 days first sale challenge, wherein for continuous 15 days, you will be attending the session just like this one, but it's going to be only 3 hour session for 15 days. My trainings will be played over there with a real homework, with a real assignment, with a real Telegram group wherein you will become a part, and all the members of this batch will become a part, and all of you will be performing tasks, and you will be given real assignment, and you will be sharing masterminding within the Telegram group. And the goal is that, when you are getting started today, the goal is how we can help you in getting to your first sale in the fastest possible manner, not figuring out a lot of things by yourself. With the step by step approach, how we can help you get to your first sale. So this is the whole challenge all about, and you will become a part of this 15 days first sale challenge, in which you will be able to, even if you are a complete newbie, how we can help you get to your first sale. That's the whole agenda, and you will be given the step by step roadmap. So we will be connected for 15 continuous days. You will be guided under my personal guidance, and the goal is to get to your first sale. And we have like more than now to we have like more than 400 plus people who have got their first sale from their brand new online business within the 15 days challenge. So people who have just got started within the challenge itself, they were able to get their first sale within the challenge only, right? How many domain registrar for creating? There are so many, Sushil, right? I will not be able to join, not be able to join the 15 days challenge. No problem. You can see the recording in that case. Just ensure that you follow the session on a daily basis, right? So all of these people, they were able to get started with the 15 days challenge only. And they were able to get to their first sale in the 15 days challenge only. So have a look at this. Even Bindu Rani ji, जिन्होंने अपना start करा था, in 15 days challenge, I was able to generate my first 2,40,000 rupees. And within this 1 month, I was able to scale to 3,53,000 rupees. Within 2 months, I was able to scale to 8,34,000 rupees. So all of these results, everything has come within the 15 days challenge only. And इन्होंने एक चीज यहाँ पे लिखी भी थी कि जैसा आता है वैसा स्टार्ट करो. There is no perfect time to start. And this is something that even I have seen. A lot of times people keep stuck because they feel कि you know what, अभी I need to learn more, I need to understand more. मेरे को अभी बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं आती हैं, अभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा और सीखना है. But honestly, every person who started, they started as a newbie. The most important thing is the decision. The day you decide to not remain a newbie, but you decide to take the initiative, because you are not going to become a pro by yourself. You need the special guidance. Every single pro has a coach. Virat Kohli has a coach. Sachin Tendulkar has a coach. Kobe Bryant has a coach. Michael Jordan has a coach. Every single pro has a coach. You do not just become a pro just by yourself. You need proper coaching. You need proper system. You need proper tools. And same is the case over here. You will be given the proper system and the guidance and the coaching and the training along with the support. When you follow that, then you will get the results. Then you will become from newbie to pro. Otherwise, what are you going to do without the system at your home without the proper learning that is going to convert you into a pro? Nothing, right? Think about it, that today only we showed you almost 20 plus use cases of AI. They have been here on the internet for the last maybe 1 plus year. But today you got to discover all these use cases of AI. Why? Because you joined the training today. And if we had not conducted these trainings today, then you would not even be aware of these use cases of AI. And is it like that ki, these use cases are not there on the internet? They are. But are you aware of it? No. Why? Because you are not a part of a professional system that is being done and being run by people like us, right? Who are already going ahead in this direction, who are already taking care of their customers. We are continuously releasing multiple AI features, multiple AI apps for our customers continuously. And that is going to give you the advantage. You cannot win a war without the tools, without the ammunition to go inside the war. So when you are wanting to be successful in the online business war, then ultimately you need the systems. You need the systems to be running on automation, and all of that you will be getting in one single place, right? Uh, so will there be another after January 15 days challenge? Yes, there will be one more. But again, you can watch the replay or you can attend later on, but you can watch the replay. It's not necessary if you are not able to attend the full session during this period. Watch it in parts. Even that is okay. Iti is asking, I was not able to attend. One second. So I was not able to attend due to some reason. I really don't know what your program will teach me. If I will buy now, I am in recruitment training business. Okay. So Iti, what are you aware of with respect to FlexiFunnels? पहले थोड़ा सा उसे discussion कर लेते हैं. I'm gonna unmute you. Is that okay? Since you did not attend the session today, I'm gonna quickly discuss with you. Iti Singh. Mukesh, you need to go through the remaining timeline domination trainings. Keep going through that. And with respect, and don't just be limited with respect to कि यार मेरे को यहीं पे ही apply करना है. Open yourself to the other opportunities also when you are going through the training. That is something which is very important. Sushil, with Bajaj Finance, I guess it will come down to probably in the range of 39, 40,000 something. Acha, it's okay, it's okay. So see, for your one second, let me come back to it. One second, let me find your question. Um, yeah. So recruitment training business. Are you training the recruiters? Is that the case? Like the HRs and recruiters, are you training them? Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah, we already have customers who are doing the same thing. So step number one is that you will be able to set up your online systems with the help of the FlexiFunnels software. I hope you are aware of FlexiFunnels. You have heard of it. You are aware of it. So you will be able to set up the whole automated systems. Okay, one second. So we have created this AI based system in which you simply type a prompt, you simply type a line, and you are able to set up your website, your landing pages with done for you copy, fully done for you. I will just show you right now. So I will take you inside the dashboard very quickly. And I will show you some of the pages that we built just right now. So first thing is with respect to taking your business online, we have this AI page builder in which you simply type a prompt, something like this. Hey, create a high converting sales page to sell a digital ebook. The product name is 28-day fat loss made simple. Of course, in your case, it will be a recruitment lead generation page. And you don't need to code, you don't need to do anything. Simple drag and drop, sorry, simple AI, the page is going to be built. And once the page is built with proper copy, with proper content, high converting copy, then you want to do any editing on the page, you can do that very, very quickly with the help of simple drag and drop functionality that we have. So something like this. You want to change the text, you want to, replace the text. Maybe you want to add let's say some line spacing over here, right? You want to change the color of the text, whatever it is, like simple drag and drop. You can upload and change anything that you want to change on your page. For example, you want to replace the images. Maybe you want to replace it with this image, like whatever changes you want to do. And quickly, plus you can connect your payment gateway, you can connect your lead generation systems, and you can automate the whole journey. Like when somebody purchases, what should they see? The thank you page. What should they see in the thank you page? Everything, the whole system, the whole journey can be created. Currently, I'm logged out, so it is not publishing. But this is how the whole thing can be done very quickly. Simple drag and drop, and you will see the whole page fully done. And then with all the lead gen systems, with all the drag and drop systems, plus including your coaching can be uploaded. And when somebody purchases, they will get the automated access to your course. And yeah, I mean, the whole training business can be run in one single dashboard. Long story short, the whole business can be run on one single dashboard. Right. So this is the link for you to become a part. If you need a little bit more additional information, you can share your contact number. Our senior team can get in touch with you and they can guide you with all the things. One second. Okay, can we use FlexiPanels as an appointment setter who goes and does cold DM outreaches on LinkedIn and Twitter? No, you will be able to use AI agents like I showed you today. You can create AI agents who can do the outreaching for you. And then to set up your funnels, how do you explain your products? How do you explain your services? Where do you set up the systems to generate leads and to process the automation for your products and services? That part is going to be done with FlexiFunnels. Plus, as an additional bonus, because of my background of being a coach, you will be getting all the trainings and all the mentoring and all the business trainings like Facebook ads, lead generation, getting sales, getting clients, how to generate leads, everything, all these trainings you will be getting included. Right. I hope that is clear, San Ronak. Right. So I would like to inform you that I'm new to this and I currently have limited knowledge. However, I'm keen to learn and start if possible. We can get it done, Sanjay. Sanjay Akka, you can share your contact number. Our senior mentoring team can get in touch with you and they can guide you. No problem. For me, you know what? My whole journey, my whole life, it got transformed when I learned about Facebook ads and funnels and all of these systems for the very first time in my life. Like for 4 years, I hardly made any money, 2012 to 2015. And like my whole journey was about, hardly we were generating 500 rupees a month. After that, we got to know that we can build funnels, we can sell digital products, we can launch online funnels, online products, online systems. I will share with you some of the results that we have generated online. So, for example, if I will take you, and I have multiple partner accounts. I told you, right? We were selling a lot of faceless products, and then my coaching, my trainings, everything. So, I will show you some of these outcomes. And between 2016 to 2020, the entire work that I was doing was in the international market, and we were doing all the international sales. So, I will just show you some of those stats. I know some of you do not know me since back then. So, that's why I would be sharing some of these results with you. And we were selling our products on platforms which were like international marketplaces like JVZoo, ClickBank. So we learned all of these advanced funnels techniques and ads and all, funnels and all, while working in the international market. And a lot of these products, for example, right over here, close to 2 crore rupees just in affiliate commission of selling products, which is just one account. And then we have multiple different accounts. So a lot of these funnels we have continuously made. I will show you, I will take you to some other accounts of ours. So a lot of these, high end funnels we have continuously made, whether these are affiliate funnels, whether these are sales funnels, whether these are webinar funnels, whatever it is. For example, this is one of the partner accounts. So, and JVZoo is one of the Inc. 5000 companies in the Florida area in USA. So both me and my partner, we have been one of the top vendor and the top affiliate of JVZoo, and by launching our funnels over there. And then, most importantly, after getting all that success that we were getting, the most important reason why I created my course was because I wanted other people to succeed. Because when I got started, I did not get any mentoring. I did not get anybody to guide me. I did not get anybody to, handhold me with all the trainings, with all the learnings. So since I did not get any mentoring, so I thought, okay, I will create a course. I will create my detailed program teaching ads, funnels, and everything, conversion optimization, so that people can learn. But then, and yeah, this in this one we have like $1.3 million close to in affiliate commission, close to 10 crore rupees in affiliate commission. And then we have even more accounts, and for the funnel sales also, for the affiliate sales also. So like after all of this, then we created my program, and with the help of this program we were able to create number of success stories, more than 1000 plus success stories. But one place where our customers were still stuck was that funnel building was very expensive because there is no funnel building tool in India. And all the international funnel building tools, for example, ClickFunnels is there, one of the international tools, and you get it for $197 a month and $297 a month, which is not expensive. I would say it's not expensive, because if your full automated online business is getting set for just $297 a month, it's cheap only. Like, for example, if you compare it with a physical business, this is not even 30,000 rupees, right? At a premium location, if you rent a property, you will pay minimum 50, 60,000 rupees, maybe even more. So setting up a fully automated online business for just $297 a month is very, very cheap. But we still figured out that, what, it is still expensive for customers in India. And that is why we created FlexiFunnels, so that our customers can get everything. This is one more platform, high level, $297 a month, $497 a month. Similarly, there are platforms like Kajabi to host your courses. Like, even when you have platforms like FlexiFunnels, sorry, ClickFunnels, you will still need platforms like Kajabi if you want to run your courses. because this is a separate course hosting platform, and ClickFunnels and all are only funnel building platforms. But with Flexi, our goal is that we give you everything in one place, and we already have it. It's not our goal; it's something that we have already done. So just for course hosting, you pay $249 a month and $499 a month. The fact that we are based in India, the fact that our systems are based in India, so we are able to run the whole show at a far more discounted pricing, and that's why we are able to give it to you at such a discounted pricing. But again, just a matter of time when we will continuously have to keep on increasing the price. We have already increased the price 3 times. Somebody who purchased FlexiFunnels 3 years back, they paid even less. Somebody who purchased 1 year back, they paid less. Next year we are again going to be increasing the price. So yeah, everything, the value quality comes at, the value comes at a price, right? So and most importantly, we have included the trainings also for you. So you get the full support, you get the full trainings access, and you get the access to run your fully automated online business. That is what the whole system is, right? No, no, no. Ronak, it is for the Google. All right. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions, if there are any queries. And by the way, in the first 100, we have 3 more seats. Is there anybody who is becoming a part right now? Because for the first 100, the special bonus was there. You were getting the special access and the special add ons. If you want to share your contact number, yes, Jatin. If you want to share your contact number to get in touch with the senior mentoring team, we can do it right now. And this is how, Binduji's journey. Sarthak, are you in touch with some team member? You are in touch with some team member, right? Okay, okay, okay. They will sort it for you. Okay. Uh, Dr. Pradanya, I have given you the link. It's right over here. You can do the payment right now. 36,999 including GST. Okay. Let me know once you are done with the payment. And how are you going to make the payment? Debit card, credit card, EMI, wallet, net banking? Just let me know very quickly in the chat box. Um, Mukesh, then we need to take the initiative, no, Mukesh Chablani? That is, if that is the situation, then we need to change something and we need to take the initiative, right? That is how the things are going to change. See, we need to understand one thing, that the answer cannot be, okay, okay. So Mukesh, just ensure that you are going through the trainings and you are continuously implementing things. And also you can start with your freelancing journey. That's what you can start with, right? Okay. By the way, this was the message of Binduji, who got started with the 15 days challenge. All of you will be getting started with the 15 days challenge. Within 2 months, she was at 8.34 lakh rupees. Then she messaged that, hey, you know what? In the last 6 months, I was able to generate 50 lakh rupees, which, according to my last on salary, was the income of almost 8 years. And again, she messaged that same thing. I strongly had a belief that शिद्दत से चाहो तो ऊपर वाला भी धरती पे आके चीजें करता है. And that is true. Nothing is impossible. And ultimately, any pro, when they started, they were a beginner. Similarly, is going to be the case for you. Those of you who are getting stuck because of the fact that, I don't know a lot. I'm not really sure. I don't come from a technical background. I don't come from a marketing background. It does not matter because we have created a system for exactly people like you, right? For people like me who do not come from a technical or a marketing background. Even I have done BSc Physics honors. But your your formal education does not define what you do in your life. Your self education, the way you treat yourself, the way you invest upon yourself, the way you educate yourself, that defines how you want to grow in your life, right? And that is how you actually grow in your life, right? People, I'm gonna continue the session for the next 5-7 minutes. If anybody has any doubts, any questions, let me know, or you can share your contact number. Otherwise, I'm closing the session, and tomorrow morning we will start again at 10 a.m. and with the same link, right? No, 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 Jatin. We'll meet tomorrow, right? And yeah, yeah, yeah. After the end of day 2, Harsh Dwivedi, right? Okay. So Yeah, this is how people have been becoming a part. For example, Nikita, when she became a part, I'm grateful Rahul Bhatnagar, Saurabh Bhatnagar for making this challenge. In the last 15 days, I was able to make more than 77,000 rupees. Nikita only messaged after 7 months that now I am at a level of 20 lakh rupees. So this is how people have been getting started. You will be becoming a part of the 15 days challenge. From there, your journey will be getting started. And then you will continuously keep on implementing. And the way you will get to your first sale is the exact way you will keep on multiplying, and you will get to your next sale, then your next sale, then your next sale. And that's how you will keep on optimizing. And the whole system you have already understood today. If you don't do anything out of whatever we discussed today, if you just follow the system in which you create your private communities, and in your private communities, you are able to promote your products by creating your direct communication systems. You have a monthly six-figure business fully automated without investment working for you. Right? I missed today's K follow the session tomorrow, right? And then they have to all the attendees tomorrow, we'll be sharing the replay. Okay. As a part of the whole system, we have created more than 3,500 plus success stories and a most number of 6, 7, 8, and 9 figure success stories. We have also given you 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose, right? So you will be getting the full system access for only $447 when you become a part right now, along with the special pricing and the special discount, which I believe hardly only two seats are left right now. You can give me a one in the chat box if you want to become a part right now. And you will be becoming a part with the first 100 seats which are available right now. Satvik, I shared this thing already, no? All the links and all the resources at the end of day two will be sharing with everybody. All right. Akshita, I have given you the link. Replay access will be sharing tomorrow once the day two is over. And make sure that you attend tomorrow. We will start at 10 a.m. And you can share your contact number so that you can be in touch with somebody from the team and they can manage the whole thing for you with respect to the replay and everything. Yeah, Satvik, absolutely. So it would be great if could also become an AI appointment setter. See, our goal is the one of the goals of FlexiFunnels in year 2026 is to launch a lot of AI agents. So we might go in this direction as well, right? And yeah, let's see very soon. All right. So I guess I'm gonna end this session right now, right? And if anybody has any doubts, any questions, any queries, you can share your contact number. Our team can get in touch with you. We'll meet again tomorrow at 10 a.m. and we'll start with the day two of the overall AI marketing workshop. And post in the Facebook group, people, whatever has been your biggest takeaways from the session today. And you can let me know in the chat box right now. What were your biggest takeaways from the session today? Let me know in the chat box. Those of you who are over here right now, let me know very quickly. Ads, okay. Ads creatives, okay. Nice. The funnel systems, okay. Building a funnel so quickly, okay. Nice. What else? What else? Okay. The graphic based ads, okay. AI avatar and reels, okay. Yeah, that was something which was really nice. The ad hooks that you were able to create, yeah. Yeah, now just ensure that you are implementing all of that and all the resources that we have used for the AI marketing workshop and all the uh, this thing replay and everything we'll be sharing with the all of you by the end of day two, right? So we'll be sharing all the resources and everything, right? And all the